Them never know how who them run come this. I chat about them nine will come and Chris. Well teach them. We don't fear no fools. Man a bad man a bad man now cho. Well certain boy hype up and I send dead shit. Well none of them. Don't look at them to find no theater. Got them on the big curfew. Man a bad man teach them. Big gun man rise, boy, to make no noise. This all teach them to get the shot between the eyes. Life upon the line, the fastest just sorry. Them get gunshot to them brain. Cha-cha-cha-cha. Sense it, you know I instant data. Use a black blunt to send you, you put on the acre. Use a dub plate to chop select of them. Them get gunshot to them. Teach them.
I am here vibing with a man with one of the best voices in hardcore dancehall music. His parents named him Andrew Reid, but we know him as
NITTY KUTCHIE, you know?
Father Kutchie.
Yeah, up there.
All is well, sir?
Yeah, man, as I respect, bro.
Give thanks.
Teach them to guide me, oh Jah. Protect me, oh God. Jah, you never let me down, no. The devil I fight. Sinners I go weep and moan, ball and groan. Who no love Jah, me say them now go see him tune. Them a live them dirty life down in a them devil zone. No love towards each other, every man is for their own. Jah, do not keep silent, do not keep still. No devil worship, I could never try the holy hill. So give ears to my call and hear me, see me through it all. We all are one blood, but sometimes we shall fall. Guide me, oh Jah. Protect me, oh God. When you are go through your troubles and your trial, and them must sprinkle them powder and set them vial. And the almighty number you for dial.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Talk to us though, early life, place of birth.
Westmoreland.
Westmoreland, man from the west.
Yeah.
Which part of Westmoreland?
A place named Choro.
Place name?
Choro.
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 Yeah, Burn Savannah.
Burn Savannah.
Burn Savannah. Take a Choro, you know?
Oh, okay.
That's a Burn Savannah, you know? The whole, you know?
Yeah.
Here and thing.
So that is where you grew up?
Yeah, that's my father.
How many brothers and sisters the man have?
I have one brother and one sister.
One brother and one sister? Both of them still around?
No, my brother passed.
Brother passed. My
Yeah, my
condolences.
sister still, you know?
Sister is still here.
Up and around, you know?
Yeah. Mommy and daddy still around?
No, my father passed.
The old man passed on.
Mother just have her birthday the 1st of January.
1st of January.
And mine's at the 12th of February.
Yeah? Yeah.
Yeah.
How old is the old lady? How young is the old lady?
72.
72. And she good?
Yeah,
Health-wise?
Yeah, man. She don't know, you know, say, she have a little
But she
struggles,
have
you
one
know what I
only.
mean, but you don't know. Yeah.
So where did they attend school?
Me not go to school.
You mean never?
Yeah, I go to school, but it's like I not go to school.
But it's like you not go to school?
Yeah.
Ah.
I think that's come from the Bible, you know?
I think that's from the Bible.
Yeah, the Bible me did it still. You know?
So what was the reason for you not attending school though?
My parents don't have it, and
Parents
so
don't
me take
have
up
it.
gangster life, you know?
Yeah, from early?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I don't know.
So it was a struggle growing up then financially?
Yeah. You know, no shoes and anything there,
No
you know?
shoes and them thing there?
Yeah.
Ah.
I don't know.
You're still
man.
interested in school things still?
Yeah.
But not, well, so you went to basic school?
Yeah, but I don't know. When I youth in Westmoreland, I got town and them thing, that place, them town that Mount Grace. That's a basic and thing. But after that, you don't know, come a town and them say come a town, forward a town, she said. And there was a place named Shenafton, Tumberland Lane, Franklin Town.
Franklin Town?
Yeah. Until I come
At what age did you come to town though?
about 10, so.
About 10?
Yeah. Until.
So you came with mommy and daddy or?
No. Everybody in Kingston before me, you know.
Everybody there Kingston?
I'm the last man forward, you know, you don't know, you know. Because them always just say me tough, you know.
Yeah.
You can't bear all that pressure and the pain, them still, you
They
don't know.
believe your country?
You know what I mean? In that sense, you
Or you
don't know.
decide to stay down there?
No, I never have, no. I can't make a
I'm not saying
decision.
that at 10
Yeah, I
years
can't
old.
make a decision at the time, you know. And thing, you know.
So you came in last?
Yeah, excuse me.
Franklin Town settings?
Yeah, and then my stepfather now start because my mother and my father split up, you know. Because my father is an ignorant man, you know, so that's why I get certain things from him, because I stay with him.
Yeah.
You understand?
Oh, you used to be with the old man?
Yeah, because him did tough things, you know what I mean? I think double E fought, you know, to pull them on the muscle. You know what I mean? So I grew up kind of rough. My thing rough.
So Franklin Town and all. Country
Yeah.
would come at town. What was it like back in Franklin Town? In Franklin Town back then though?
Them say, some people say stepfather not good, but if a stepfather tell us say, you have to read every day. You understand? Cause
Have to read every day?
Yeah, them man in read Star still. No disrespect to the Star, them man read Gleaner.
Gleaner.
Every Sunday, them man have to read and Gleaner. The man know say you have to read, and through Marcus Garvey, the man there also tell say, Marcus Garvey say you have to read every day. That's why you exercise your brain. Seeing and learn new words every day and try to know the meaning. You know what I mean? So it's like, I'm not so 100 in it, but I practice all of them things, you understand? Because that way there, it tell me grow. You understand? And think I come at home with my father told me with bad temper, because I'm going from my father. My father
you run away from your father?
No, I'm not running from my mother. My mother.
Oh, your mother came from?
Yeah, and do the whole maths, you know what I mean? And thing, but I don't know, say, you know everything I mean, always I'm the last person to forget the thing about your dad for say. I never pay no mind. Them time I used to worry about it, but now I understand. You know what I mean? I grew up and full of understanding now and understand enough things.
Yes.
I know, say, you know what I mean? You learn through toughness, you know, you learn through goodness, you know?
You learn through toughness.
Yeah, toughness, but you learn still, you know? You celebrate goodness, you know? So I just that, you know?
So all those years when you weren't going to school though, Sir Reed, what were you doing though?
I tell you, I'm a tough nigga, man. I left from Franklin Town in the day, so. And when I left from Franklin Town, I come to Seaview Garden. I come to Seaview Garden, I go to school, because I named Penwood Secondary.
Penwood Secondary?
Yeah. I understand, but we don't go much in that Penwood, you know what I mean? You know? Just hold it back, you know, because more gangster life you live, you know.
Gangster life,
Seaview
yeah.
Garden, tough life you have to live, you know. And think you go up and be a gangster that Seaview. You know what I mean? Life, I pull up a people where you know and I know, you know what I mean? I have to mention them names, you understand? See, I've been through, I see most of them. I got through the world toughness. You understand? And thing you don't know.
So at what age or what stage though did you felt that, you know, you have some music in you?
From long time, man. From long time, I have the music from there in the bush.
Playing in the bush down the west?
Yeah, but then I never like take that personal, I take it serious, I should say.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But I don't know. After I reach 12 years old now, I don't know. You take up youngster thing and you know, so the thing I go on. But you have a sound in the community named
Megastar?
Yeah.
Nick Star?
Yeah, NITTY Star. Seeing? Them people that know about like a sound and like a bar and thing. And we used to see like a youth named Michael Buckley and Wayne Smith and Robert Lee. The man that come through and come nice up the place. And he's a man that, no, them I see you garden I tell about now.
Receive you, you know.
Yeah,
okay.
receive you. So I show you say, when them youth they are nice up the place now, I always up on the outskirts and watch and I say, yo, them youth can sing. And them youth have some nice voice and anything if a man know about Wayne Smith and Michael Buckley and they said Robert Lee.
Robert Lee.
I think Wayne Smith passed away, but Robert Lee in England are so right now, still seeing. So it's like, we used to have a brother named Sanchez D, not Sanchez. Sanchez. Seeing, I used to DJ. Seeing him nickname them call him Stickman. And give me the name Nitty Kutchie. Because I used to sing like a man named Nitty Gritty still.
Oh, you used to sing like Nitty Gritty?
Yeah, we used to sing about, good morning teacher, long time reach ya. Alright then, who wasn't me to the school, so I learned from the teacher. You know what I mean? And I say, if you name Nitty Kutchie and you love smoke. You understand?
So you smoke a Kutchie?
Yeah, because I'm tired of smoke enough. Still smoke enough. You know what I mean? So, it's like that still. So, from them time, you know, him start take me out of my mother's house. Him start asking my mother, say, yo, my coach come with you then now, we got a country, we should write a song named Student Motion, write Youth Man Promotion, can we sing for Youth Man Promotion song.
So you were around?
Yeah, them era people that they're around, yeah. But they're around them people there and thing, you know. The way them man there. Seeing Jackie Knockshot and you name it, you know what I mean? We are boobing but we go through the whole thing. Seeing? Kind of for them youth I don't know about the pan truck back and a tree liquor off a man off a truck back and or knock off a man, whatever them call it, you know what I mean? We go through the whole thing with the Youth Man promotion and Arabic sound from Seaview Garden and thing, Marlon Brando and the whole of Youth them and Sanchez. And it's like that was a growth for me. You know what I mean? Me always I wonder say how my life was so rough, but now I understand say, you know what I mean?
Part of the growth.
Yeah, it's a part of the growth, you know what I mean? So you don't know you have to go through everything tough so you can't live a life soft, you know. It becomes a big man, you know. So when you go through it rough when you're a youth, it's easier when you're a big man. You know what I mean? If you go through it soft when you're a youth, it's rougher when you're a big man, you know. So you don't know, but me always amongst the big man them still, you know. And me always try have a big man flex. We never have a flex card, we just have a big man flex. You know what I mean? Because me always like, it's like me try to grow, like me grow far, like me I force myself. You know what I mean? You cannot force yourself still, you know, but it's like that me try the more time for reach. It's like if I tell me something I can't do something, that's what I really say.
Yeah, push off.
Oh yeah, I say. If I say I can't climb down, I say it's like me have to find a way, me have to tear my clothes, me have to do something, me have to tie something, me have to do something. If we have a fight, it's like you have to beat me down, me have to get up back, you have to beat me down, you have to get up back, you have to beat me down, you have to... Yeah, I say, my brother, I'm not stop, brother. I'm not stop. I don't know if I stop. You understand? That's a life, my couple brother. You understand? Never sweet growing up. But me understand. Understand? Everything I'm going to go through, me understand now. I never understand then. I understand, I never understand jealousy, I never understand nothing at all. But now I understand because I never have a teacher, but now I realize that the Bible becomes my teacher.
Yeah.
I understand? So every day I focus on the Bible, I see my life clearer. So I realize that be truthful, be honest, be right. I understand them time I have the gangster life, I think it's right. And I become a stick-up kid, I want to kick off a guy off a bike and take it and take a guy bicycle and I want to take a guy chain and I want to take a guy bag. Because I'm not grab chain guy, I'm not grab bag guy, I'm not grab them things, I'm not do them things. I prefer jam me and take it. You understand? So I'm grow. I'm not grow no other way, you understand? Because I'm grow rough, as I tell you. You understand? But knowing now, I never know something wrong them time there, but now I know I'm wrong. You understand? Because them time I never have nobody for say, no, you that wrong, you know. Every man they say that you say, yo, you're tough, you know, you I want to, yo, you understand?
People are egg and push you on.
Yeah, them gas me up. You understand? Because like a gas station. So you don't know, so. But now I realize, say, yo, me a human being in a gas station, so I start focus.
Yeah.
See? I start focus more upon the road and the most I got, I'm not baptized. See, my mother baptized, my sister baptized. You understand? But I'm not baptized.
So you grew up around
Christian
people of faith?
Yeah, some mother, my mother, come some mother used to smoke cigarettes, then she stopped, and then she baptized. See? But everybody have them ups and them down and them falls and them fall short, you understand? And then I realized that now she start focus and start hold on on the most side. So now my things now, I just want to see my mother know say, I just want my mother to see the Almighty God face because this is such a focus with the Almighty God and she not come off track. My mother not tell me nothing wrong. My mother tell me say, Andrew, hold on the Almighty God. When the gun them a bust, even though she don't know say sometimes we are bust the gun, she a say, yeah, hear me, Andrew, if you learn to pray, if you learn to do this, if you learn to do that, you understand? That's how I learn the thing. I learn the thing from she and my stepfather. Stepfather is a reader, I must stop reading. You understand? God bless him soul can fall down right now, yeah. You understand?
So you're there road now with the man them, all about the place, sound back, chuck back with sound thing.
Yeah, until it becomes jammings.
You end up at jammings.
Tubbies. There's a guy one place named Tubbies. Right up a water house, so same place, the connection, yeah, King Tubbies. Whatever guy water house, so. Go back King Tubbies.
Where you went first? Jammings or Tubbies?
No, Tubbies was the first place with Pig and Phantom and a couple more people where I don't really, you understand? Yeah, but a whole heap of people from them time till now. You understand me?
You just them man,
yeah, them man.
Somebody carry you go?
No, the first time I got jammings that Wayne Smith carry me, but no man.
Smith.
Yeah, but through music now, it's like, I remember quite how I end up at King Tubbies. I think for audition, also because you don't know we are era singer. We youngster in the era, but we are era singer. Anywhere we go, we sing. And I mash up the place and thing. You understand? So the people don't say, oh, yeah, me step out there. Understand? So, at Tubby's weighing up.
So you actually voiced when you went to Tubby's earlier,
Yeah, with the
Jammy's?
things at Tubby's and then from this on out to Jammins.
Okay.
From Jammins now, that's how it start now.
Run a Jammy's.
Yeah, and
So Earl, you grew up in a Seaview when enough of the man them grew up.
yeah.
Enough of the man them debut. You know the man them before Jammy's or Jammy's, everything kind
No,
of
I used to
start
go
come
to Jammins
together.
before all of the money.
You used to go Jammy's before all of them.
Yeah, because I remember I tell you from King Tubby's. You must say most of the money no go King Tubby's.
Most of the man them go Tubby's.
Yeah, me got King Tubby's. we got all the walks.
Yeah, all
We got
was.
Channel 1.
Channel 1.
We got Steely and Clevey. We
Steve.
got all like something new. You understand?
A long time you do your thing.
Yeah, me I do it. I'm going to tell you something happened up on the street. And we call it a certain time, the street Arab.
Street Arab.
Yeah. So you don't know you're up on the street every day.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, look it. And by criminalism, I'm a bad man friend. I don't know, you know. See, so we are look it.
Yeah. Make we rest the music a little bit because you keep on, you know, in terms of the gangster life that you used to live, you ever get entangled with the police back then? Ever been arrested?
Yeah. The time 100 man, you know.
Yeah.
In a long, you know.
Yeah.
We do 2 weeks, you know.
About 2 weeks.
Yeah, cause you don't know, so you have to know how to flip the script, you know. Certain things, you know, really, it can't say how to say.
I understand, man. I
Yeah, I
understand. So
understand,
you will
but-
say what you can say, man.
But you understand, some guy did have a mother fridge and me did go to some wrong approach and thing, you know. And I fire some shot on the wire, them, even though I can't tell them I'm still sorry.
So you spend about 2 weeks.
Now the 100 man and
100 man.
Yeah,
Oh, cool.
not really, yeah. With the time I foreign, not
The
really.
time I'm firing.
Yeah, you know, I prison there, but not really Jamaica. But that was through a vibe.
Through a vibe.
I'm going to go about it wrong still, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it cost me. Seeing? And the more side, I'm going to go through it right. And, you know what I mean? And we go country and so we take people things and it no go right. And all of them things, brother. The man them get bite, but me never get bite. You understand? Because the Lord God Almighty is always on my side. As I'm saying. And I like him not up on the next man's side. But cause it's like, you say if 8 man in a race, don't every man pray to God for win. But a one man have to win.
One man can win, bro.
So when I want them to win, with the next 7 man I think say, God not up on the side, don't. Them just never fast enough. You understand?
That's true, but I never feel the
Them
race.
just
that.
never fast enough. Man.
Yeah.
So I just that. So it's like my life is like a lesson, you know, my brother. I just learn, listen, I come up, you know. Seeing or I forward up, you know. I'm learn well, you know. I'm not going like me a fool because I'm happy right now still, you know.
You're happy.
Yeah, I'm not telling you,
That's
you know.
important, brother.
Yeah, man, yeah, so man, I'm happy, man. That's me, I try to lose belly.
Yeah, try
And a man say me not have none. So it's a man. I'm exercise every morning, you know.
Every morning.
Every single man except Saturday, I run the hill, you know. And thing, you know.
Saturday or Sabbath?
No, me not have no
Okay,
Sabbath.
okay.
See, cause
That's
me
us.
no decide. Me no decide. Me no decide.
I just say
Me
online.
me no decide. Me do me.
Yeah. We have
Yeah.
come back to them things that dogs us.
Yeah.
So the music, you know, Tubbies, Jammies, all over the place. You have got Jammies before the whole of the man them.
Yeah.
Before Toddler, before Dan the
Yeah,
man,
every
before
man.
Killer, before all of the
Yeah.
man them.
And then Dynamite, then Dynamite, fouled with Killer, then Elephant, and I saw the list I come up. And then I Killer the striker. You understand? And I saw Killer come near, must scare them. I understand because Killer come now and start to work with Uncle T. I really Uncle T will come about. See? And do copper shot for Uncle T and more thing, but Uncle T and Jammy's brother. Jammy's at the top man. Jammy's place, Jammy's everything run. See? So, you don't know anything, go. Jammy's take over Killer automatically. I understand, and things start happening for Killer.
Yeah.
So you don't know, so by doing things to Killer in a dub plate, Killer call, everybody name sometimes. So in a world, people want to know who the man there. So you know, automatically it comes see your family
See your family.
first, you know what
So
I
it
mean?
was you, Dynamite,
yeah, Toddler,
Toddler,
Elephant,
Ellie,
yeah, Killer,
and Killer.
yeah. And then after that, and then Doulas,
Doulas.
and then even Determined
Daily
one
Bread
at a
and
time. No, them
Bramwell
come off
them.
a part of a thing, them scare
Scare
them
them,
too.
oh, okay.
Two.
Scare them too.
Two, yeah. Seeing? So it was like him and Senior Killer and Bramwell and Daily Bread and them and they come and scare them too. And you don't know, say, them start forward from CV, you know, so it's like Killer and bust them to car. You don't know, him always another spirit there. You understand? As you can see, you understand?
Man.
So you don't know. Seeing so, him, I see your family with the name. And think cause it's like we come up with a different kind of love. Seeing the family will pray together, stay together until we're not pray no more and we're not stay no more. You understand?
So it was a family vibe early on.
Yeah, we pray together and we go a river and we pray. And we go anywhere and we there backstage and we pray. All both of them man, they can't tell no man because they're not part of the thing to man. You understand? Him follow the gang straight up. Seeing? And we say we hold it and we pray. Seeing? Until woman start change it. Every little thing, money start change it. Everything, material things start change it. That's why I them too like material things. I wear them, but I don't like me crazy over it. Me take it off, get any man on the roadside, because it don't mean nothing to me like that.
Yeah.
You understand? I say it start grow from there, so scare them, bounty killer, civil family, then killer come and say, big gun scare them, big gun scare them. From boy for them, me not gonna need them. And start blow up to the roof, so now. Them say, yeah, me scare them on the name, you know. Elephant come with the day up here business and body here start there. Killer never like it at first, but all of a sudden it get crazy and it start taking on and so just go and just start go with it.
Yeah. When I interviewed Dynamite said, you know, the thing, Kutchie was the grounded youth, the man where him calm and while everybody else frightened and up and down. And yeah, the man where just kick back and try to keep the thing together on a level.
I wouldn't say them frightened neither. Seeing them just never understand like how me did understand at the time. Seeing because you see, me now, me always try to see things from a different angle. Because as I tell you, my mother is Christian. And my mother always tell me, say, yo, Bible thing. Seeing some exam, I sit down and listen to some brother like Creflo Dollar, them time, I listen to Creflo Dollar and Johnny again, some man, you know. Now I listen to Gerald Asteen and the money. Seeing? So, I learn from all angles. So I learn and watch all the show and I realize that in the show, even though a man don't like Jesus Christ, some people don't like Jesus Christ or whatever, I don't know what them do, them, but in the show I watch, him the humblest man, but he make man see and he make man walk. You understand? And him no cause no problem.
Yeah.
So I start realize that it better me humble myself. You understand? Because humbleness makes sense. You understand? When me get ignorant and mad, I don't see no sense in that. I never see nobody get help through ignorance yet. You understand? So me start calm myself, me start learning how to control because the Almighty God make you say you're supposed to be in control. Because in time something start control, that means say you no more yourself because you make something control you.
Yes.
You understand? It's like you hear a man say, boy, them get the better part of me. That means if somebody get the better part of you, you get the worst part of you, you know. So I'm going to get the worst part of me and that of me. It's supposed to be myself, it's supposed to get the best part of me. You understand? So every day I learn more about myself and start to understand myself. That's why I can understand people. See, me have to love myself so I can love people. See, you have a time when whenever I used to love. See, until I start getting my youth. And I start getting my youth, then I start to say, yo, I have to love me youth them. See, and I see me youth drop off a bed and I start cry. And I say, I never know me have that in me. You understand? If you know so my son can drop off a bed and me cry. You understand? So I realize that no, I have love. You understand? Because my father not grow me and the love thing. Me is a man kill fowl, kill goat, kill me, just kill things. You understand? And that's that me deal with people them call me. When me live a country, the people them call me say, oh Andrew, you need to kill about 16 or 17 fowl. And I just know say there's a cut off fowl, and I'm alright with that, and I get a fowl. And I hold a vibe, hog there, cut off a hog, then I pull a hog and we go about business, we do a thing. The cow thing, the bigger because I couldn't manage the cow or something. I have to go for a butcher now. Because I have to pen up the cow in one place and do some wool pattern, I couldn't deal with that part right there. I understand, but the goat for hang him up on your stand, cut him neck and do something. And mine is something that brother, man, I rub myself in the blood. I joke that, brother. You understand? Them thing they are joke, man. You understand? Because them time they are youth, you don't understand. You understand? But now you understand, you realize, say, damn, a bullshit, that a foolishness that I do, brother. See, when I start learning love, I start love me youth, them and thing.
Yes.
Even though when me and one of my sons are talking, the biggest one, named Kevin from him, see you there. Actually, me and him have a lot of bad vibes, and claim something I love him. But it's a claim. Me know something love him.
Yeah.
Him only claim that. I understand him claim something I love him, and claim something love the other one, but more than him. But a youth that grow with me, him not grow with me. So it's like him see it from a different angle too. So he must say, I love that youth more than him, but I don't love him more than him. I love the two of them the same. And I sense him nice. All the man there 17 subject him up.
Yeah.
See them man they upgrade thing.
Man.
See him? And him for know some is a man I love him straight to the fullest. You know what I mean? Him have to understand that too. You understand but in name tough love, brother.
Tough love.
See him, my father grew me tough.
Yes.
See him?
Before the Seaview family thing come round,
Yeah.
you did actually start voice already.
Yeah, but
Nothing really take on the road.
yeah, nothing now go on from time that. You have a youth from champs, me not lying here, fat man, the man never really, me I wonder if him never like me or so.
Yeah.
Because that man the more time come like all him force me to turn criminality, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, because more time, every time I sing him, so me half key.
See, I have key.
Yeah, me not sing pan key, but everybody has a pan key. Because them time they have no one name key sometime too. So maybe him right. Seeing, I want you name Colin Roach when I come sing pan
Colin
key then.
Roach.
Seeing, because every time I sing and then everybody I go out, I saw jealous of breathing about them time and I'm glad I'm strong. Seeing, because me as me tell us I come from a Christian base, say, sorry, I'm a man, I hold it. Seeing, and me always say, Father God, me always walk and talk to myself. Sometimes some people go tell me, mother, say, me see your son talk to himself like him mad, he must smoke weed. I'm thinking, I say, you look like he must smoke the ganja, I might get mad, you know. Because them time the ganja is not like no.
Yes.
You understand? But them time I'm not mad, me I'm mad. Me I talk to myself, but me think of myself, me I talk to, but I God me I talk to. Because me always say, Father God, you know, can't walk my way from the start. Why my life so tough? I'm thinking that sometimes I'm walk and shed tears. You understand? So you don't know them things I go. Seeing, but I know myself, me I talk to them. Mother say me I get mad sometimes. Seeing, which are tough thing me I deal with. And life tough them time there. Seeing?
So you not being able to go on road with the rest of your man, they kind of play upon your mind.
Yeah. Like, we have to like go road we start.
No, because you said that some of the man must say now sing pan key and
Yes,
God.
yes,
everything
right to
are
be.
rich.
So
That's
me I
it.
say, Lord, clean, so you see at night time now, you know me have got to know.
Practice.
Practice? What can I practice? I'm going to look for your gun. I go up on the road and go rob people, I tell them about practice. Because I have to get up tomorrow morning, I have to have money in my pocket. I have a nice pretty browning, because I love woman them time. I love woman like, I go out as, like, yo, me have a sexiest girl, brother.
Yeah.
Woman pretty and bold like I'm tonight.
So money have in your pocket.
Yeah. And woman have to wear a chain and a ring and them thing like that. Them time we are youth, you say. And then have to have a whole heap of chain and a ring and them thing then. You understand? Youth don't know them, we don't know better than time, no better.
Just try to live your life.
Seeing, so, if I gone.
Yeah.
And a Cockburn pen link all a man named Papi Dooley. And the first time the man came go take a bike, and he must ride on a bike and see me just kick off a man off 150. And jam off of the man. And I stand and I say, yo, how we had to ride? How we had to I drew up this. And I start ride. Realize I'm first 150 this, you know. And I started to answer back.
So you not making your mark in the music early out kind of led you down the road there.
Yeah, we get go down tough road. See, and until long after that.
Yes.
I'm not telling like we in the room and we sing every day. Seeing, come here, me I interview Doulas and I'm tell you something like running up your beak and I'm tell you how that come about. But maybe I'm not say it the right way.
Yeah.
You see that song there? That song that come about from a girl named Queen Latifah. Where she has sing one song named Walking through the park, walking through the park, walking through the park, through the park. Oh, I feel good today. Oh, I feel good today. Queen Latifah sing that, them can Google that. And I stand so from there so we get the melody. And then we put words to it. Running up your beak, say you run the street. When you check it out, you don't even brush your teeth, you better go away. Today is not your day, yeah. And Douglas is a good writer. And can sing harmony nice. And I stand we sing in the room. They must say me I sing half key. See in the morning, Colin Watch come now and say, yo, coach, come, let me try you. I'm going to book, me nail it, Douglas sing pan it, sing the harmony and thing. Because if you listen to harmony, Douglas sing pan it.
Yeah.
And I stand sing it nice and sweet. Then we get Killer come in and say, what? Herb and Killer step in it. With them bag of gun talk, but them go this and that. You know left your muck, you left and glock. And what's the time in your life now? When you better look back and go straighten up your dirty act. Tap day, tap day, tap. That was my first song.
So you Douglas did that work on it.
Yeah.
And Killer.
And then they come hear the song and they don't know call Killer Place. Just like on my place, them time call. Remember, so then Jammys now becomes Killer Place at the time, because Killer do the thing and Killer come up in him thing and you know, Killer is a man. He might do him thing and him that.
Yeah.
See?
Before we go any further this one, you remember the first time you ever go into the studio with voice?
I don't quite remember it was a song before that.
Yes.
You understand? It was a song before that. But that was the song what make it mad.
Go
I
away.
make people start, running up your beak. So people them from England, when they say, they start going to England and start very boom. And I mean, even now, because even now, I still sing dub plate with it. I understand? I sang the start going and make people start knowing me. Yeah, about NITTY KUTCHIE and Bounty Killer and Angel Douglas. And cause enough time, even Steve Marley tell me, say, I that song there. Steve Marley say, you know that song there? Let me know the eye and love the eye. See him before me see the eye in person. I say, because every time I see him, I say, stop the eye, stop. Until me really mean Steve Marley and I understand him and say, yo, love that song. The song is a nice song.
So that was the first song we
yeah, we really
put the thing out there.
the impact on it and
Them time to scare them from it?
No.
No, so scare
And
them
then
never
after
farm
that,
it.
yeah, and then after that, no. We are seeing your family in them
Yes.
moments there. And then after that, Killer come do, Killer start blast like a bomb. You understand? And then as I see you, it's just so scare them come
Scare
up
them.
and then the scare them start to explode.
Yes.
You understand? And then we just start up on tour and the stuff start happening and the positive mix with the negative and the right mix with the wrong and the up mix with the down and everything, brother.
What happened to scare them though, Sir Reed?
I scare them.
Yeah.
Scare them, remember them
Scare
still.
them was
The group not together, but the members are still here.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
I mean-
what caused?
Yeah, everybody
That
know like me
breakdown.
and Kill me and Elephant have a bad vibe across the beach and them thing there. And thing where me always tell them say me sorry about them thing there, but me don't
Oh,
know
you
if
have
him accept it.
apologize.
Yeah, but me don't know if him accept it. You understand? But me always, but me is a man only can say him apologize, you know, but what else him can do? You understand? Me only can say me
So
sorry about
send
it.
an apology there in front of Ellie. I say Ellie.
Yeah,
X, Y, Z, on the
me
reason.
can say me apologize to him. You understand? Because me a big man now, me understand. No man no want a man come up on stage, come in an argument and do what me do. You understand? Come on, man. Look at yourself.
You regret doing that?
Then I must do that. See? But what happened. You understand? I would just have to just, me can't say work on or work through that or whatever, but what a man can say, it's up to a man. You understand? Every man a man. You understand? And if me violate any man at all, and a man feel like a coach violate him, sorry. You understand? No, me understand. Every day we grow. Jay-Z say him go up and the man see him come down. See him? So every day we try to go up. So that me I do. But if I try no more, me I grow.
So
You
grow.
understand? Me I grow, my brother. So you understand? So that's why me nah. Alright, I'm gonna put it now. Me don't need to say nothing negative about a man
Right.
to make myself better. You understand? Me don't need to bring down a man to think that I go lift me up.
Yes.
I think that I go bring me down. Because me and you and me. See? So if I bring you down automatically one day, something or another man going to bring me down. You understand? So, me don't need to bring down no man. Me don't need to talk negative about no man at all. If a man want to talk negative about me, feel like I feel mountain no barrette. You understand me I say? But as I tell her, say, me can't. I tell her, say, me I grow up, but yet I start, but I talk down.
Right.
Me can't grow up, but I talk down. It don't make no sense. Understand? So would not try to talk nothing even negative about killer or elephant or. I can tell them, say, yo, we are big man now. Make us see something on a different level, we grow. We are going to step up. Come on now, you know what I mean? Looking at ourselves, you understand? And things, see? So, I just that am my thing to all, man, right now, all, man. You understand? Me not have nothing negative about no man right now, teach them.
So in a year, Eddie and Ellie, good?
Me not have nothing wrong about Ellie. Me not business with him. So if I have something negative about me, say it and make me work on it. If I have nothing negative, well, I don't know, but me not feel if me have something negative about him, it don't hurt him, it hurt me, so me can't have it. My system have a free, that's why I tell you I'm happy. Me exercise a morning time, I will have vibe. And I like me, I follow people and exercise, I love it. At 15 years, me I do it. See? Maybe me just attack it. But people who know me know say that means I'm in love too. Understand? So, upliftment for every man, my brother, man. I want to see every man happy, man.
Yeah.
I'm not going to see every man happy because Jesus tried to make every man happy, or God Almighty tried to make every man happy, and every man can't happy. So, who is me? Understand? So, I just say a thing, brother.
Back then, Scare Them was the biggest group in a dancer. And the thing kind of unravel and everybody kind of got them way.
Yeah.
You ever look back and wish the thing did still together like that? Or you probably never like how it end and wish, you know?
Even if it ended, it could have ended like a better than that
Yes.
still, because so I blame me all on the ending too. You understand? So, I'm not going to like say, yo, I'm bigger than take blame. Real man take blame, brother. And look surpass that. So if I throw the bad vibe across the beach, cause if I left, I throw money. If I throw money, I can't help it. I have nothing to do with that. But if I throw the bad vibe, I'm sorry. You understand what I say?
Why you don't have nothing to do with it if I'm money?
If I'm money, but we have, and I have control. Elephant is a man. If him see the bigger money over the side, that him a deal it. And you can't run a man and a man and go for big things. See? Not in a negative way,
Right.
but in a positive way, you understand?
Yeah.
You can't run a man. You can't say small thing. You got to small something for
So if I'm money and you, but if I have vibes there.
Yeah, for me, I'm sorry.
But then didn't that vibes reach where it reached because your life was put in danger?
Yeah, because again, with that foreign now, we take the people them 10,000 US and we reach the elephant, I did it. So you don't know, say, you know, did it. And man back gun for me and I tell me, say, me a liar, and we take the money and it's like a clown, something I have to call General, I have to call Dynamite, and I have to say, yo, tell them man, I say, me not play money joke, my brother. Me not run money joke, my brother. Means a man, me not deal with money joke. If me take your money, me have to give you goods, else me not deal with it. Me not run money joke.
I was saying.
No.
See, I'm going to set it out.
The keep pass.
Yeah, man.
Your life was in danger because of Elephant Man, no sure. You were upset.
Yeah, but no, me understand.
Do you do?
Yeah, truly. Me not have to tell lie. Me not tell lie, bad man, for believe me. Me not go around no corner. Me not afraid. Me never afraid from a barn, brother.
Never afraid for
Yeah,
your
me
bar.
not tell lie. Me not afraid, brother. Believe me, man. I respect people.
Yes.
Me not afraid of people. Me not afraid. Me not see the reason why. Me can't have the Almighty God and me afraid of a man. See, me respect a man. Me don't know, say, me understand what a man can do.
Yes.
So me don't put myself in a position where a man to do me they can do. You understand? Sorry. So me not stupid. You understand? When I go up on the street, we use the sixth sense.
Yes.
You understand? So I just that. Because I'm that year, I say, when I go to school, and I said, no, tell them man, they are done.
And that man, I go say first.
But
True.
how you that say that? Yeah, you judge me right, that's all.
Never sung a reason.
Yeah, you judge me when you say that. Because at the end of the day, you'd read the Bible though. And you'd read David. And you'd read Psalms, you'd read whatever. But when I Bible go to school, David go to school. Some all of them man them go school.
That
But
time,
them Bible,
yeah.
the Bible I read now.
Yeah.
But them go school.
So yeah,
And
so,
so see it my face and I see wisdom, knowledge and understanding. It's from me see the Almighty God face, me have wisdom, knowledge and understanding, brother.
yes.
See him? So a man only can judge you because that's what man do. See him? But a man for just try to appreciate him, brother. I appreciate love you as well. The rest of them I say. See him? For who you are, who he is, whatever. You understand? But more time now, the first thing a man do, a man lay down judgment, negative energy. See him? The first thing a man want to do is push negative energy. Oh, how you know when a man dance? If you ask him a question and don't answer,
You just
him
probably don't know that. And
it's simple.
Yeah.
You understand? So I just that people to understand me, brother.
Yes.
Seeing, so a man say him have a paper on the wall and him have something there, son. The paper on the wall
That
make
don't
you a
mean
bright
much,
man.
brother.
Seeing,
Yeah.
the paper on the wall don't make you a bright man because David never have no paper on the wall. Seeing King Saul never have no paper on the wall. You understand? And them just seek the Almighty God face, learn understanding and compassion, and know how to do them things officially with the help of the Most High God. Because Jah give man free will. So here we have to do now, we have to start grasping things which is right, which is uplifting. How a man can catch a breeze, how a man can buckle it up, how much pound of fire away, how a man can tell me all now. Seeing a man repair the sky, but him can't repair the road. Seeing sorry.
Yeah, man.
You understand? So all them things, them brother. So, so lean not on your own understanding. Me lean upon God, that's why I'm happy. That's why I'm alright. That's why I'm not hungry. That's why I'm in a beg bread car. Make a man pint now. After the program I done, make a man pint and tell me, say, me call him and beg him. Or me ever call him and beg him. I must a man. Each time you kick it and thump it and show it, it lose its value. You know, lose its value, don't. And that's why I tell you, I understand life. Come like it, as when I see a man, I watch a program, I watch a man take 100 years straight down the ground, stand up on it, rub it out, take it out, crush it out, take it up back again and dry it out. What it is, 100 years still.
Still 100 years.
Yeah, you don't lose its value, right? So you don't know, so then some people will kick you, shove you, push you, but that's don't lose your value, brother. You understand? Don't lose your value in life. You have a value. Hold up your head.
Yes.
You understand? So the thing come, brother.
If scared must ever be a thing again, you'd be okay with being a part of that?
Okay. I don't have a problem with nothing at all. As I tell you some material, I don't have a problem with nothing at all. Nothing at all.
So you'd be off.
All right. You say if in a farm, I don't have no problem. You say if it's farm, I don't have no problem.
Yeah.
Nothing like them, I don't have no problem because I never have a problem.
So you just have to fall in line and do your part of that thing and keep it
I don't have problem, but I don't deal with problem. I don't try to deal with problem. You understand? We distinguish problem, brother. See him?
Yes.
Big man thing. You hear me? I tell you, it might sound like I might say, so am I going to like say him so rare and that means say, yeah, judge me again. See him? Because I go on like I want good something to you, know. Yeah, man. So even if I go on like me full of faith and I go on like me holy, I'm supposed to because that lead me in a holy land. You understand?
Yeah, man.
If you go on like you're rich, I think one of the you get rich.
You get rich.
See him? So if me I go on like you, I could do it better. You follow me and go on like you if you're poor.
Yeah.
So you can't get rich. To be poor is a crime. No. To be dunce is a crime still, even though I tell the man, say, oh, you don't know what a man dunce. But to be dunce is a crime still, and not to be poor.
Yeah.
And it's most poor people in that prison. Don't.
True. True. In reality. How were things between you and Killer back then? Seeing that Killer personality big so, and you were a no-nonsense man when I take certain talk.
Yeah, Killer did good. Nice. Until everything a bit ups and down and thing, you know. I know Killer is a man in cross and miserable and hungry. So, you know, sometimes me and his spirit is not like that because sometimes, oh, a man that really want to talk to the man there, talk to the man there. I don't think you really have to talk to me, sister. You understand? That's my take on life still, because me a man like you. I'm create perfectly made, you know, my brother.
Yeah.
See, yesterday you're not perfectly made too.
Nobody say yeah because I always say I don't like the ask
you
question.
create perfect, my brother, man.
Yeah.
So you can't have a man walk on you or something, and the man has no pride in it either. You understand? I'm a perfect. Me perfect. You supposed to know say you're perfect. And when I say, me not perfect. Where you get that from? You're perfect. Your action and your words, they're not perfect. You understand? Because anything with the Almighty make and touch, it's perfect, my brother. You see me I tell you about your words them, your action is not perfect because through the Most High give you free will. You understand? So that's why more time we act out our way. That's why all them man where them feel like say me disrespect them and me talk wrong or say something to them, I apologize to them. Because
All of them?
yeah, every man. Every man. Every single man. You understand? Because this is a platform we have to use officially and use it rightly. You can't make the platform use you. You have to use it. You understand? Just like how people nowadays them use people and love things. When them shouldn't love people and I use things. You understand? So everything I go back way. You understand? So that's them thing that me know every day I sit down at my house and I sit down and just try to be right. Not try. See? Because Jimmy Cliff did say you can make it if you really want. You all have to do is try. Try and try. Try and try. So that's that me I do. So and them say you can't lean that on your own understanding. I can't do it on my own. So me always just try hold on upon the Most High God. Because I want wisdom, knowledge and understanding. I want to have mesh for your eye. I want to sit through people. That means I see a man, I just know him. Because that keep it on itself and you see them, you will know them. You understand? Saying? With me and the DJ now, I don't have nothing against Killer. Killer alright.
Early out in the life, the thing get rough and you're there take on the street, a little bit gangster life.
Yep.
Was the music why you kind of move away from that, or you made a conscious decision?
The music is a help. It's a proper help. The music I want strong help. I want music I want big chuck.
Big truck.
Yeah, I drag you out of that way, them brother.
Yes.
I drag you. See, because nobody not teach me most of my things. I learn to drive myself. All of them things there. Nobody not teach me to drive. Nobody not teach me to do nothing at all. I learn to know from my own. Never have nobody to teach me. My father was a big idiot, man. Sorry to say. Sorry, I'm very sorry to say.
Yeah.
The man, the roughest beat them I get at them man, they give me the man, they just lift up this and just knock you with it. And anything them man they touch them and they flatten you with it. So a man understand, some man know them thing there. Some man say, the man grow nice, so the man show them see man live nice now and see man. All right, and it look like it nice. Look like. See? My father just do me some wicked something, man, but you understand, him father did him some wicked something. He never understands him, feel like him can't take it out upon me. My mother leave him and leave me with him. So he just knows everything when he wants him just take it out upon me. Then he just leave me and gone. And from them time I say I'll dup real until I realize I dup your foolishness. Because the man leave me in my house for the whole day, for the whole night. And I can't go in my house because I say one man there behind the door. And I'm going there one punch the man up, hang up behind the door, look like I want a man stand up behind the door. And then you hear me I tell her, and some Christian people have come going in the house, I've still out the door from 8 o'clock nearly till 1 o'clock at night.
As a child.
As a youth, I tell me, say, duppy there in the house. My mother sent me out and I go one place and one banana leaf I swing so. I never pass it so because it look like I want brother. I move.
We don't want this still.
So duppy there, I tell you, we'll go through that brother. Understand? So we don't follow certain things right now. Now we grow past certain things and we understand and the Almighty God make me understand. I don't know about another man.
Did you lose any of your friends through violence?
I talk about man about 12 or more.
About 12 or more?
Yeah.
Police are next one?
Police and Batman and
Police
everything.
and Batman and everything.
I see you, Diego, Metric, this and that man. Yeah, just to name a few.
So
Look
man,
at
chest. Drop round there, brother?
Yeah, man, I don't know. A man know we make tea a man time and again. I don't know. See, but whenever I follow the protocol, when I follow the right track, you understand? So as I start see it now, and my mother start giving me guidance and start saying, Andrew, pray, you know? Till one youth fall down, one youth drop on the name French and you start thinking I and I hurt him. See?
Yeah?
Yeah, even though his mother, even right now, his mother would have think negative. But see them know, so I never have nothing to do with it from the Almighty God. Know that so I never have nothing to do with it. I just a youth from the other side of the scheme. It hurt the youth, they understand. And start thinking negative away. And even the man in the most I save I because you see, when they come out, it's like when me come out on the street, the man and I see the crowd and the man must say, I'm the youth, I'm French to drop across the scheme, because of a killer side and thing. And I say, I want a warrior kill him, which is the whole I will know the warrior and thing. But through in the early, me and him did have a little dispute. When me I try to show him say, yo, just load the gun something and rare. Because when I use name Fat Man did that take up something there on them head and thing. Since I even know Fat Man still pre me over them thing and check so me have something to do with it, which him don't have nothing at all to do with them thing there. But them don't believe me. But me know so God believe me, brother. His mother a Christian right now. She heal me right now and me and her talk and them thing there, but my wife, she understands say, me not have nothing to do with that. So, yeah, you understand? Because me know say me and God cool with it still, but you understand, at the end of the day, me didn't want me and them cool, but people always say, from me and God cool, everything all right still. You understand? God Jah heal all wombs, you know?
So even when your friend them a drop around, you're still in the streets, I dig street, brother?
Yeah.
So you
we
never
have tough times,
feel
you know?
like
But every day I learn still, you know?
I learn.
Yeah, I learn every day still, even though man I drop on your garment funeral. And I say, you're until my brother drop.
Oh.
You understand?
So it was violence that
Yeah,
took
my
your
brother get a straight shot. He's not a bad boy.
Okay.
My brother is a man cool. He make my mother in the kitchen because my mother cook and sell, you know? My mother have a restaurant and things I see you there. Even though right now she have it, but she not selling it right now.
Okay.
Because I rent it out to some different people, you know? And things, and my mother just going with a vibe and things, you know?
So it's when your brother drop out here,
yeah, tell life a little
think
more
different,
serious and thing. And even though then even in charge, I'll kill a brother for my brother.
I'm charged kill a brother for your brother's death.
For my brother murder. So, that's some deep, some enough man I know still. So, sure, come on. Him know we know, him know all details right and the depth side. But
so he was acquitted or him actually served time?
Him go jail for a period of time and come out back and my mother never got court and
all the little things.
yeah, and alright, because it done all the little things is good on.
I don't little things it's true, brother.
Yeah, but it's submarine.
It's indeed.
Yeah, you understand? And killer know, him brother know, me understand, my mother understand, and life goes on.
Yes.
I understand? You have a sister I know, Portmore she live. Life goes on. Well, are we alright? She a Christian?
She a Christian too?
Yeah, my sister a good Christian.
I could tackle this cause I realize that right now, a church you come.
Yeah.
Sir Adjo.
Yeah. I love
And
church,
everybody know
man.
your mannerism. You grow tough, you're rough. Every man have NITTY KUTCHIE as a bad boy. NITTY KUTCHIE
start me as a good boy, I know. Yeah, man.
You go church.
Yeah.
Man, a regular.
Still do.
Regular, you just visit from time.
I'm not go to church right now. I'll choose a day time. I'm going to Reverend P.T. Williams on this all time. So I choose their fasting service.
Yep.
And I still go. So,
Yeah?
right now, if I go down there right now, me and the people, them alright, them love me like food. Come as you are, name.
Come on, say alright.
Yeah. That's going on with our vibe.
You're not baptized, but the church a thing there.
I love church, I love the Almighty God. Time heals wounds. Time will tell, you know. We don't have to fake nothing, we don't have to, you know, because show off bring disgrace to them, brother. So we don't need to show off. We don't have nothing to show off it because everything is fake. Anything can deteriorate a fake.
Yes.
I understand, so we don't need to show off with nothing at all. If we don't show off with God, we don't need to show off with nothing at all.
Sure.
I understand? Because you see this now and now you don't see it again.
God.
Seeing what God is. The sky, the dollars that the band comes to the sky, your mother band comes to the sky, your mother band comes to the sky. God alone, brother. Everything I build up.
Yeah,
so if a man not say God, him not say nothing.
You did a cover of a song, a thing, Drinking from My Saucer Cup.
Yeah.
Was your church situation that influence at our results?
No,
Just
I have a
decide
brother named Tiki where I bring that song to my table, you know.
Yeah.
My brother named Tiki, and I'm a bona fide. I'm forward one day and say, yo, I have a song, but I love you, sing it for me. But so him never know nothing about producing. In the same one, I you named Steve, do it from Chuckback. See, and then we have a brother named Tristan Palmer. I'm a bona fide brother to me and him all aspire and run the hill and thing and him produce enough song for me. See? So him now, one day I drive and I say, yo, you know me produce the song. So him just go get the man lead the rhythm and do the thing and produce the song and get the nice girl, put some arm on the point and it's nice. Yeah.
They get look at me that song there.
Yeah, man, yeah, so my lip man car.
We're not even touching that big song.
Yeah, car.
But yeah.
And sang it now.
Also by a song there, though.
And it go like, I never made a fortune. It's probably not too late. But I don't worry about that much. Cause I'm happy anyhow. As I go along life journey, I'm reaping better than I sow. Oh, I'm drinking from a saucer. Cause my cup has overflowed. Yeah.
Many people probably don't give Nitty Kutchie enough credence and credit for his vocal ability.
Well, I've never said to many people, you know. I love them seeing we are hope one day they will come around. And I mean, cause I have no man, I can't program a man and I have no man mouth. I can't tell a man if I say and tell a man who for like. See? And if Christ walked the earth and everybody never like him, so be it, you know what I mean? But me not gonna hate, I can't hate a man if him say, him no love your vibe, I no love your energy. I just feel ways about life that you have your way, you have my way. See, now you have the right way, you have the wrong way, but you have my way. My way don't must be in the right way, but it is still my way.
Yes.
You understand? So every man have to them way. You understand? So every man always just say, boy, your voice nice and your voice, it's it and but at the end of the day, you know what I mean?
That's what it is.
A man call you and tell you, say, me I produce a song for you. You know how much man call me and tell me that, brother? I produce a song for you. Country, me I produce a song with you. I produce a song with you. I produce a song with you. But I say after a while,
Nothing.
still alright.
Still a...
Because you don't know what I know. I find me I 12 minutes upon my one of them, brother.
Yeah.
I mean, I 12 minutes upon my one of them, as I said, yeah. I'm still alright. Believe me, say me alright.
I believe it, man.
Believe me, me I tell you. See? I'm gonna say, you could have done more, or you could have get more, or you could have...
Right, I'm not going to ask about that today, bro.
Boy, you could have rehearsed.
That is true.
Yeah, one to could have rehearsed.
That is true.
But through me them I did could have rehearsed, cause them say, talk it into being. Call it down upon yourself. So I call them be a good life for myself and good liberty.
Yes.
For myself and my pitney them and family, you know? Be a blessing I call them right now. Like them time them used to say, boy, life rough in nowadays, I can't say that. I wouldn't say that. I realize say negative. You understand? So I say, oh, life nice, man.
Life nice.
You understand? What go on? Life sweet, man. Yeah, man. It come like when Shakespeare say, yo, and the man a cry say, him not have no shoes until him go down the road and see him with no foot. You realize say,
Life nice.
life nice. All the shoes me have, man not have no foot. You understand? So life nice.
There's a notion out there, Kutchie, that, as you say, Kutchie couldn't be far because I'm talent, but probably because I'm bad man persona.
Yeah, and should them say me have bad temper. I'm a love fight and everything there. I want to fight everybody.
Is that true though?
Yeah, I mean, it's just yes, it's true. I'm a love fights too.
No, as in, you think that probably why you end up...
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. And maybe whole lot of people tell lie upon me too.
What about people tell you upon you?
Cause, you know, see me and come live with me are two different things.
True that
Cause
too.
more time when a man roll with me, he will say, a different rollings. Anything for me, I feel him too. You understand? Me not look nice and him not look nice. Me not iron out and him not iron out. We don't see it so. We don't eat fish or we must eat fish then, man, that's a why for that.
Yes.
You understand? But lobster and him I do something else. You understand? Say, me and the man, all right, we equal, brother. You understand? Me not think like...
So do you think that you should have reached further and achieved more out of the music though, Kutchie? when you do your own assessment?
Should have.
Should have.
Yeah. But that's true, you know?
And in your head, when I talk about what people are saying now, in your head, what is the thing that held you back?
So I think I came and say them, you know? Because when I tell you something, I'm pretty negative born, man. So if I say them, it's like me, I go negative.
What are the story? The story still is not really negative,
but
it's just that your journey that still.
more time, your brethren them hold you back too. And in a sense, I'm going to say your brethren, yeah, I never say that. That's a stupidness that. No man can't hold you back. Man can't hold you back, yeah. When the right time come, it will come. No, I say no negative about man. I don't tell you that already, man. Man, I hear, man. I'm a man good, man. I just keep it real, you know what I mean? I just keep it real, because you know go on, a realness me I do, you know. Because when I have a song I play, I know I'm focused on it, and I pay real people who want around me.
Yeah.
I don't want a friendship of a drown me. Pay real people who want around me. And I understand I love alone who want to surround me. So, I them things that me I
Song
play.
the voice already?
Yeah. You understand? I them song the advice for youth of Europe. I youth named Penko. See? So that's one of my new single them right now. See, we talk that upon the rhythm and General beat upon the rhythm, Dan the mic upon the rhythm too. And I youth a girl named Tishana, I youth named Leopard. You understand? So I don't want to play nothing negative about
Everything
man. I just want, man, if you just know, say, yo, if you want to play negative about me, I feel in business, yeah, man. Because I never see negative energy help no man, brother. See? Never see no negative energy help no man,
Do you have any regret career-wise?
No.
Kutchie?
No, I don't regret nothing, because guess why? I learn from the whole of them and then I find out that I get strong.
Yeah.
When I look back on some of the things them and I say, yo, when I used to curse it and I say, yo, boy, I shouldn't do this and I shouldn't go through that, I say.
So there's nothing that you would do different if you get the chance to do it over?
Yeah, like I war elephant on stage.
No, war elephant on stage.
Yeah, I in an argument with him. You understand? But I leave him alone. Big man thing.
I realize you really and truly regret doing that though.
What? Because guess what no. You're a big man in my brother. And I understand now. And I understand. You know what I mean, no, because if me company has to teach them right now, and me start fight. You wouldn't like that.
That don't make no sense.
It don't make no sense whether we are fight over this side. Because people don't know so they don't know who we are fight over. There was a fight now going to say, oh yeah, man. So, as I say, 500 times. Elephant, big up yourself. Bounty killer, big up on yourself. See what I say? Just that me have to say. I don't have nothing negative to say about the item.
And let me clear up something. Because I know the song has Go Away, but you keep referring to it as Running Up Your Beat. What is the true title for the song, sir?
Aight, man.
Go Away.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Right.
I just want to know because you keep, and I try your song.
Yeah, you're right, man. You're right, man.
Yeah? Apart from that, Kutchie in the morning rides have big hits both here. Batman, Big Gun.
Yeah, it's sound man them love, you know?
Yeah, sound man they love.
Sound man love them things. Never know who them run come this. And chat about them 9 will come and Chris. Teach them we not feel no fools. Man a bad man. Big gun man rise, boy, and make no nice. This teach them when I get a shot between the eyes. Life upon the line, the fast just a rear. Them get gunshot to them brain. And the list goes on. You have a new thing you want to chop with and where I say, there you go. Because I want warrior in our bugging was. I youth name bugging now. Bring a youth write a song, come give it. But the song nice. It's I don't know the fast them don't like me. Them the real, them friendship shaky. Them see me success and I hate it. I hope voodoo bring me name gone, I hate it. Me tell them say chuck off. Everything up, you know like that. Cut them off, no one no friend like that. Them a dash aisle, some a eye job. But everything them try bounce right back. Them licky licky beggy and like chat. Try stop the food from go on my pot. Keep a eye on them like cyclops. Them want me life stop. Some shit like that. No matter what they try, I will survive. Now dead for hungry, Jah will provide. Them a pray for me fall, but the thing go rise. I will survive, I will survive. Try stop me food, Jah will provide. I will survive, I will survive. All when pay gonna make pay nice. Mixing a hobia, them destined for hell. No for them want me sick out, but me well. Spend them money and them broke like this spell. Fake friend I try style me without the gel. True NITTY KUTCHIE have bars like this music make me famous like Fidel. Get corrupt and bad mind like no me have something to tell. Matter what them try, I will survive. Now dead for hungry, Jah will provide. Them a pray for me fall, but the thing go rise. If a man a say me, I go feel him no wise. I will survive, I will survive. Try stop me food, Jah will provide. I will survive, I will survive. All when pay gonna make pay nice.
But try to say now gonna make it him no wise, brother.
I got control of movements.
You mentioned Obi in another song there a couple of times. They also have a song name, Obi in our business.
Yeah, them a work. Obi every time in our music. Obi every time in our music. They want hit song every day, the hype no want lose it. Obi every time in our music. They want work. Obi every time in our music. I say the island powder, they must stop use it. Obi every time in our music.
You just write that song there, you have a reason.
I have a head top.
Off your head. No, I mean like if it was, you know, like an experience or a personal thing when you write the song.
No, I have a hearsay.
A hearsay?
You just sit down and kind of hear me not talk things, you know?
Oh, okay.
So you teach them how to laugh, you laugh. I cloud, I think that's teach
I don't cloud,
teach them.
I just got something I think in the head of the
teach them how to think the negative things they watch you.
So because we didn't hear some things before.
No, I don't bother with it, man. We're good, man. I don't bother teach them, man. I'm all right, man.
That's why we are laughing, because we figure
that's my thing from long time, you know? And thing, you know, have no word showing and have nothing behind it, you know? Seeing if a man want things say, I him, it's that foolish too. You know what I mean? Because some man think it's so easy.
Yes. Another youth song for the Kutchie is Street Life with Sir
Richard Stevens. That's how me and Richard Stevens are born to kill the same way again, you know?
Yeah? How that song they come about?
Oh, Richard Stevens asked the color and thing that. Richard Stevens probably never do a run come this to, you know?
Yes.
Never know who them run come this. I chat about them now. Richard Stevens probably that. He supposed to will pass them.
Yes.
Seeing? I Westmoreland them come from, you know?
Yeah, man, we know how
it's forward from, you know what I mean? I and him is like a brother.
Yes.
And so, and him come up and say, yo, I sing online a song. I play the street life, it's the only life I know. Street life, I got nowhere else to go. Street life, I've got a million parts to play. Street life, gotta hustle every day. After one hustle, and the list goes on, etc. You know what I mean?
Big song.
Got it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If you give me a thing, then I'm going like, you know, I'm giving up the same. All right, man, everything good,
Richie, sit down.
Yeah, don't hang on. Don't hang on.
Don't hang on, sit down.
Yeah, but I'm brother, man. I tell him I love him, man. So I go, man, you know, because we have to love each other. You know, it's up to a man to think negative of each other. It's up to him. I never see negative help no man yet.
Never.
I never see it yet. Should we show me it?
You mentioned that earlier, even though you don't want to go this about, you don't know, you go say, probably one of the reasons why,
Sorry.
Probably one of the reasons why you never progress more musically is probably because some man kind of do some things. Yeah, you have a song with name, The More Them Fights. Song they get some traction in the street again.
More them fight here, the stronger we get, and the stronger we get, and the lead we are take, them can't taste, no, them can't taste, no. And a lie.
And the same rhythm. I think it's the same rhythm.
Sorry.
Man, the cool line.
No, sir. Yeah, man, yeah, cool anything, but sure.
I think it's on the same rhythm. You have another song, Jah Guide Us or Jah Guide Us.
Yeah, yeah. Guide me, oh Jah. Protect me, oh God. Jah, you never let me down. No, the devil I fried. Guide me, oh Jah. Protect me, oh God. Jah, you never let me down. No, the devil I fried. Sinners I go weep and moan, bawl and groan. Who no love Jah, me say them nah go see him tune. Them a live them dirty life down in that them devil zone. No love towards its other, every man is for their own. Jah, do not keep silent, do not keep still. No devil worship, I could never try the holy hill. So give ears to my call and see me through it all. We all are one blood, but sometimes we shall fall. Guide me, oh Jah. Head tap, you know, half a head tap with us, I sing them time the car real thing, you know. Jah guide me all the way. Never stop.
It's an original song.
Yeah.
Deep.
Yeah.
You said earlier, you're never scared one day in your life.
No,
Your
I'm not
Elephant
scared.
Man actually have a song titled Never Scared.
Yeah. I don't remember it good clearly.
Are you right here? It just happened.
Oh, God.
Oh, that come out.
I think I zoom with voice a song the fine now. I go down there and I think I did. I don't remember who I mean if you do combination and then Elephant coming to the studio and zoom and tell him say yo. And he just talk up some wolf or something like sound good. Yeah. No lie.
I have to find your back.
Weed me on the phone.
You get the name NITTY KUTCHIE because you also sing like
I
Nitty
sing like a brother named Nitty Gritty.
and you also smoke, so
Yeah, well, for weed.
Kutchie. Yeah, and you have quite a number of weed songs as a matter
Yeah.
of fact.
I have one from Bush Banton rhythm right now.
Yes.
I say,
That
can't smell it when you walk, hear it when you talk. Prettiest light you ever seen at the dark at the high grade. Now give me that if on the high grade. If it's the light of sparks, you know fi ask. If I could see that with the legal stock at the high grade. Now give me that if on the high grade. Real hot herb tea, me used to start my day.
Steppers with him.
Yeah.
Name
You got Bush Banton, you know what I mean? Yeah.
You have a weed
General,
tune
you know?
with you and Roned.
Yeah.
Who else do the weed tune? You do any other weed tune with anybody or the other rest of them are you alone?
Some of them I remember, because I
of them
do
you
work for
remember.
them, you know what I mean?
Yes. You have a tune I listen for the first time today. Yeah? And that tune that I grew up on me already named Reasons. Is the original tune as a cover?
One original song.
Original song. You wrote it?
Yeah. You see that song in my video, a
Yeah,
Europe.
because I realized that the video now you do.
I want to look at you to know about Egyptian video, you know, because Egyptian always come up on tour with them all about, see it? So I always there all about Egyptian, so we got one place named Alan. And thing, and a youth just come on youth from New York for the Egyptian and say, yo, nigga, I love that song. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And thing. So I saw him, I want youth named call my voice to find out, and I'm virgin named Ticket Friend. I said, I need reasons to care, reasons to share, reasons to love everyone. No time for war, love one and all. When the time gets rough, by the Father name you call. Talking to the leaders of something like that. Because I freestyle.
Freestyle it.
I freestyle to it.
Yeah.
I just connect. Where I shoot the video from Virgin name called it. And thing.
You made mention of Egyptian just
Yeah.
now. You and Egyptian take on the road.
I want to tell them that I see if I shoot video with a youth named Maestro Dan. Him
Yeah.
and Bounty Killer. So if I call him to come down there, but you may have this to do with you.
Yeah?
Yeah, so I just lay back and things, see? Guys, I'm on, I'm virgin, so you know, I don't have a negative vibe against Chippy. Chippy always I'm virgin, I'm coming all over the world. I remember
So
in
you
Africa.
open the female you
Yeah,
does.
he used to open film until him start calling me and spot with him. You understand? I'm go all about in the world, from island to island, from Africa. You name
been
it,
to
Germany, Tanzania in Africa, I go
Yeah.
Germany, I go Holland, as I tell them, I go England, yo.
All
All over.
out.
And it's for the youth Egyptians, so
True
give thanks to
Egyptian.
Egyptians, you know? Big up yourself, brother.
You remember the first time you leave Jamaica to perform, Kutchie? Where was it?
Born Together.
Killer.
Yeah, Killer did move. I think we perform in a Q Club. The first place we stopped at in a Q Club.
Where is that?
In a Queens, New York.
Queens.
Yeah.
Like this
Plenty.
thing want that live so far away.
Yeah. They made mention earlier that you and Ghost have a collab.
Girl is Mine with Michael
Is
Jackson
Mine.
and Paul McCartney. Yeah, Google it. Look for it, people. You know,
Girl
it's
Is
nice.
Mine.
Now people don't know some and Ghost have a song.
Yeah, because when they tell me,
Yeah.
because when I do the research, that never pop up.
Yeah, I have a nice song. I actually have a nice song
Yeah,
too.
acting vibes too.
Even though people are talking negative energy and demand them something about, I feel them think that, you know what I mean? But I tell them something I'm not negative about nobody to say, you know what I mean?
But the song with the acting name.
It's a can't so fatal. As me wake up in the morning, punch and name me call. Can't so fatal. No, not at all. Can't so fatal. I think Conscience produced it.
Conscience producer.
Google it, look for it.
Can't suffer at all.
Yeah, man, I act in. Can I look it up here, people?
Yeah. So you, Killer, Doulas, you know, all scare them. You have tune with them. Ghosts.
Sizzla, Kalanji,
Sizzla.
everybody you can
Why
name.
song with the Kalanji name?
Yeah, man.
Can I not see them song when I do research, you know, Kutchie?
Look at that. That's type of thing.
Sizzla.
Come on.
And Nitty.
Yeah.
Acting, who else you work with? Collaborate.
Bungie Garland.
Yeah, and Bungie have song.
Yeah, from long time.
Long
Long
time.
time. From Patron back. I'm a friend enough from long time.
Bungie your friend?
Bungie Garland, yeah, I'm a virgin, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, nice youth. Higher youth, that, you know.
I'm glad for you.
Marshall Montana, good too, you know.
Yeah?
See, me and him never be like, we dialogue on
Yeah.
a regular basis about me and Bungie Garland. It's like, you know what I mean? Just like how
Brother
me
said
and Buju
this.
Banton, me and Conscience, them, me and... You know, I mean, I have no bad vibe with no bad brother. Tell us, I'm a distinguished bad vibe, brother.
Yes. Is
Don't
there
do that,
anybody who you know work with it collaboratively who you don't mind going to the studio go voice with one of them there?
Well, I love the combination with Buju Banton.
Gargamel.
Yeah, I'm a virgin, me and him party at time, full of vibe. And I most perform, brother, I'm so right now, positive, and most people maybe not like him, just like enough man don't like me. But I can't force people to like you. You know what I mean? Because people don't really like realness, people don't like truth no more.
Yeah.
The world I live a lie. So if you tell the truth, it shock the place, it shock people, so you have to be careful when you tell the truth, because the truth can take your life. So you just have to be careful with everything you do right now. You have to walk on chalk line. You don't know why you really have to walk on chalk line. You know what I mean? You just know so I walk in the street.
I hope one day the energy and everything right for that tune to manifest itself.
Which one?
Yeah, and the one with Gargamel, where you say
Yeah, well, me.
something
So the
about
most
the
I
style
got,
with
everything
them
possible, you know? Anything possible to the most I got, you know?
Yes.
Faith is that because I mustard seed now I have it, you know?
things. Yes.
You know what I mean? So I didn't think that I focus on, I hold up my head, step up there,
Of the songs,
elevator.
yeah, of the songs that you have recorded, Kutchie, which one has done the best for you from a financial perspective?
Them man come this. All know, every
Bad
day,
man.
every day,
Don't play.
all day, every day, all
Every
day,
day.
in and out. Yeah, I'm back
Every
now
day,
out of money, you know? Right now, I have 2 figures sing right now, as well as
Just say
yourself.
that, so.
So, I give thanks to the Almighty God, brother. God good to me, some brother. I try man them understand. Love the Almighty God. You see, for where I come from, reach right that's so me a millionaire. If I man understand
From
what
where
I
you
mean.
come from, for it, right there, so, there's a
Yeah, if I
millionaire.
man understand what I mean. So
Me
if
understand
if
exactly
say-
what you mean, brother.
If I say him not understand what I mean, him not rich, him not rare, him not live fun, I say man come from Beverly, him not drive a Porsche, him not drive a Lamborghini. I mean, I talk that
But
brother.
where you come from, where you're
The
there
healthy,
right now, there's a
the healthy
millionaire.
and where I come from to right so. I mean working I can't feel me learn to drive I think them formal. I learn them different from everybody. I learn the tough and the rough way.
You used to work in a cane field?
Yeah, a froom.
From?
Yeah.
And West there. And when you're a boy, that man kind of boy, you left come here, man.
Yeah. So she said, after me a youth, me a young thing. Me a 9-year-old in a cane field. Just imagine that. Them call themselves a side man on the tractor where you're loading this and you make this work and if you understand, you know what I mean, man. Come on. You know what I mean? My life wasn't easy. But I understand and I appreciate love it. But now I tell a man I hate it. Because I'm a tough nigga and a boy can't play with me, I'm a fool. The man can't clown me up. He's not the wisest man, but I'm not stupid. You know what I mean?
That's important, bro.
Yeah. And when you tell me, say, ask me the question, and when you think me, should I be stupid, give a stupid answer and find out. You understand? It's simple. You understand? Because most people have artists as dunce, man, because them not go through what them go through and they have the degree them and they have the something them and they have all of the something them. But come on, man, for you have the Almighty God, man. It is very important.
Yes.
That's very important.
You're telling me the song where do the best for you financially, but many times, Kutchie, the song that is most popular or commercially successful is not the artist's favorite song. Of all the songs that you have recorded, which song would you say are the song where you met the most and vibe to the most?
I love drinking from a sauce and I love a thing them guide me out, Jah.
Guide me out, Jah.
I love a song I say, I never scared, never fail. Only thing I got is love to share. I never weak, I never weep. Firm like a column on my 2 feet. The system got them corrupted. Them sell them soul because the devil brings shock them. Signs of times are unfolding. If you come tomorrow, people, would you know him? I see the rising up against me, but you plant me like a seed, so I'm sturdy. I sow my seeds, so I will reap. Oh, Jah protect me, yeah. I never scared, never fail. Only thing I got is love to share. I never weak, I never weep. Firm like a column on my 2 feet.
Man.
People don't know them song there, you know?
Can't know it. Because
people not try to find the people just want to say,
the
oh,
song
bad boy,
them,
that on him, rare. But yo, me have a different side too.
Yeah.
Me have a different side.
That.
You have a two-side of the bread, a 2 side of the kind. You just watch one side and judge me from one side. You find the next side, brother. Half I've never been told. Come on, you know what I mean? Me have a God side, I'm told I love the Almighty God, I love church, I love people. See, I want to say everything right. You understand? I don't want to say everybody happy, but everybody not gonna happy. You understand? Because not everybody do the thing for happy. See, and not everybody love God. See? So, what can I do? I can't fix the world. I only can fix myself and my family. You understand?
You have a voice, a song where you think don't get the justice where it deserve, and if that song that did reach the people, then it
Just like them one, let me tell you.
Any other? Just that one?
Yeah, I have a next one. I say, this one I say, I know the day will come. They'll see that it's just shine the sun. I know that they will see there's a love as the Almighty. I know your love is real. He's my God and He's my shield. Protect us on the battlefield from the snakes and heel. Cause I know your love set us free. Yes, I know from this pain and misery. Yes, I know your love set us free. Only your love give us true serenity. Say, as me rising out the morning, me have to hail him. Look to the east, cause me know me not fail him. Free up to get the youths, them behind the railing. Them crucify the man upon the cross and nail him. Marcus Garvey, them tell lie and jail him. Malcolm X, so the brothers betray him. Goliath mighty, but David slay him. Cause the man him never hail him, cause I know your love set us free. Yes, I know from this pain and misery.
Where's your favorite place to perform?
Anyway, people don't love me.
What the people that love you the most?
Foreign.
Which part of foreign? Which part road of the part?
England, Europe, but I go Europe, I just sing until I'm just sing no more.
Sing
man,
no
till-
more.
I love reggae music.
Yes,
Europe, you know.
yes, yes,
I love reggae music.
Yes.
As long as you sing and you know you sing, say. Because I bear someone else say, if you write a song, what you write a song about? Rhyming or about what makes sense. Understand? So I always know so you have to write song of what makes sense.
What makes sense? That makes
rhyme,
sense.
Yeah, you know, write
Yeah, man.
rhyme song. That's why theme song don't really rhyme.
But then
That
makes
makes sense. Even Buju Banton song that makes sense. You know have to rhyme. Just make it make sense. Make it be real. Let's be real. Be yourself. You can't be nobody else.
Yes.
Don't be acting.
Yes.
You really live a fake. You don't have to live a fake. One of the great man said, seeing, I don't want to say it. I'm say, a couple of things more I'm saying. What's it go? It's a woman, be real. You have to know yourself. Because what's in the car, our biggest problem is, you know, our bills and our woman, our pitney. Seeing, if you're a real man, if you pay your bills.
If you're a real man, yes.
If you're a real man, because a real man, if you take care of you, them,
Yes.
take care of woman, take care of your mother, take care of pitney, them, real man do that. But sometimes woman hard to deal with because they might try to live two life, because they want to live your life and for them life, but you have to also understand this too. Watch this, see? Because the whole life set up, boom. If God created tomorrow, I know if God created tomorrow, I'm give them eyelash,
Yeah.
but them still put on a bigger one.
You can't figure it out neither, brother.
See, I'm give them breasts, but them make some
Still
bigger
try it,
breasts
yeah.
and things, see? Them even change them nose and them face and them things, see? Them not appreciate of themselves, see? So, them get bottom, them put some bigger bottom, they get nails and make bigger nails, and sometimes them can't even wipe them bottom with it, have to roll up the tile paper, dry it through. I don't know how them work out that, see? But you're not supposed to work that way, but I feel them way of doing them things, I mean, I bash them, but this is how it works, see?
Yeah.
So if God can't please them, how me I can't please them?
Rough. So yeah, so they might try to live for
They
them.
work
life
towards the
and
man
feel
and we are tattoo themselves and bleach up too. Likewise, they flick it. You understand them in a sense, but not for that. Somebody tattoo them. Scars, ears rings.
like a gunshot one.
No, it's a knife. I'm a knife to this. Now, come here, always have a karate knife. You see, it's a chopper, man, you know. So I tell you, see? So I cut a stick and it slip on.
Oh, okay.
Stick me. See, by accident, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And things. So I might think, I'm not bore ears,
None of them is something there, brother.
me
No tattoo, no
yeah,
bored
me not
ears, we
bore
no
ears,
shave
me not dye
eyebrow,
ear,
we
me
no
not do
do
none,
something.
me not do
That's
none,
natural,
something that's
yeah, man.
real, because they say that I'm supposed to be a man. I'm supposed to take care of
Be
me.
yourself.
Yeah, something that I'm supposed to pay my bills. I'm supposed to take care of my woman. I'm supposed to sell my house have food. I'm supposed to take care of my mother. But make them think that all right. Them think that for be. You understand?
100%,
Yeah. So if you want to grow and just breed up people and not mind up people, I'm sorry for you, cause job eat people, but I'm gonna have to understand, brother. Just do the right thing and the right thing happen to you, Start the day right now, and I think it will end up right. Yeah, let's start the day right. I pray night time, I pray night time. I have to pray morning time. I'm going to exercise. Tomorrow morning, now, Thursday,
morning.
I'm going to run again tomorrow morning. I have to exercise tomorrow morning. When I'm name you from England, I'll call me and Black Jack and Bingy Blair and the whole of we are going to run the hill. And we'll compete against one another in a positive way. Seeing the wheel and roll out. All right, now the wheel in my vehicle. Because that, the lady said, how you live till you're 130 or 110? And say, I do. I eat right, I exercise, I get up early in the morning. Because a different breeze blowing early morning. Did you know that? Seeing? As you get up off your bed, if you spread it. You understand? Unless you go back at night. Yeah, as you get up off your bed, if you spread it, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, if you make it, unless you go back at night. You better not wait till 12 o'clock, you spread it, you have to sleep in your bed till 12 o'clock. And you sleep in time, you get lazy. You know that too. You understand? So I didn't think I kind of step on a way where I just. I just my eating habits more and change now. You understand? Because I eat rice on a regular basis, which is not good. You understand? I don't really eat bread. I don't eat KFC, I don't eat them something like 4 p.m. somebody used to eat them things there. You understand? I try to feed pan bush tea now. See, me medicine myself for a mole of pine man them like. I don't know why not. But everybody like it, and me have to like it too. See now this man me have to beat some right. I have some of my house right now. If I know what medicine right now, I mix. I put Single Bible, lime juice, pimento seed, 3 peg of garlic, onion, piece of ginger, piece of turmeric. And I pimento seed already.
Yeah.
And pimento seed. And I blend that. And some little honey and some cayenne pepper.
Yeah, bush doctor, brother.
No, I just work off of what my mind says.
Yeah.
And it worked for many people. But sometimes it make the people make a shit to sometimes. I don't know, yeah. So
Clean it a clean out, man. I purge it a purge out.
So you take it at night time.
Yeah.
See? So I have that on the yard
Can't
right
take
now.
younger road right
Yeah,
there.
sometimes I have to know yard and it's a system strong.
Yeah.
So that good for you right now in them time where I go on right now. So I eat my feet when I'm water. Man, I'm laugh.
You made
Yeah,
mention that you went to Tanzania, eh?
Tanzania.
And, yeah, and you kind of brush. Yeah, you kind of brush that. But the reason I want to talk about it is because many artists dream of go Africa.
Yeah.
They have been there. What was the experience like?
Yeah, nice.
Nice.
Nice. I want to say it's terrible to you know, nice and I want to say that. It's nice. Terrible. It's nice.
I understand
But
what you
have-
say still.
It have
I like a
danger in
Jamaica,
it.
man.
It have,
Jamaica
yeah.
nicest place
That
on
is the
earth, but
accent
it
a
can be
little
the
bit
most
different,
dangerous
yeah.
for the-
You understand
for the
because they have security on every block. And them thing then, seeing on the market is like a downtown market, same way and thing and it's nice. It's nice. The only thing I find out with my people, over there, so now them they use cologne. At Tanzania, which probably them say, yo, them be them real self and them have them real smell. Me don't know how that work, but you understand, me have to sweet up. Me have cologne and my car right now. And
Yeah,
me have to
sweet up. Yeah.
But me love them.
Yes.
You understand?
That for them thing that's
yeah,
still
right,
them
but
one
me
thing
love
go.
them, you understand? And them love the music. Egyptian can go down. Yo, me I tell them, we are the youth named T-Pain and Memphis. Memphis,
T-Pain.
yeah. Some Memphis Bleak or something like same name and thing. And them youth that got us and thing. And then we do one with Mary J. Blige, England. England at the Q Stadium or something like so. Seeing Egyptian and thing and Mary
But
J.
you out there
Blige.
do the thing, Kutchie, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man, with all boss still, man, but come on, you know what I mean? Who knows, no, who knows.
And who fi know, know.
Who fi know. And one day it will happen because it's a no, me understand. I know me not run down nothing. I understand? Because I realize, say, if I run down it, it tend to leave you sometime. You understand? So,
Where you gonna work it, where you hope to go to
Yeah,
perform one day?
I'm Japan, you know.
Japan.
Yeah, the only place that I never really go. Tell you the
Japan, the
truth.
only place where music
Yeah.
is big where you not
Tell you the
go.
truth, let me think of it. Japan, I never really go yet still. Japan, I never go. And realize everybody say nice.
Everybody mean that if you go to Japan, love it, sir.
Yeah, I never been there yet, you know. So I just did so.
Yeah.
So maybe after the COVID and whatever, maybe if you have everything and maybe if you don't have to take no vaccine to go there, you have to take no trip. I understand, totally something work out. That's why I feed up on the ginger and something else. I feed up on the whole pass of man, and turmeric and the garlic and the onion.
Yeah.
You call onion good enough? Yeah, man, I have to eat up the onion enough.
At this stage of the journey, Kutchie, what would you say is your single greatest achievement from a musical standpoint?
My greatest achievement?
Yes, musically.
My journey when I up on the music now.
Journey.
Yeah, it's like I start find myself and I see the Almighty God more clearer through music. You understand? Because you see, when we sing gangster music, I feel tough. But sometimes I sing about the Almighty God, I cry.
Yeah.
So
Big bad Kutchie.
Yeah. So I say, why that?
Yeah.
You ever see that yet? Why? Yeah, we
So
sing
they
gangster music.
you feel
See,
tough.
me no box, me no kick down boy, the eagle me use and pick down boy. Me no chase, me no long tongue boy, the 40 caliber one. You're tough.
Tough.
But when you come on and say, into my heart, and you sing it long enough, you find yourself tears start come, cause you start find yourself I go transform in a different place, and I go, you understand? And you find tears start when you always wonder why. See? No, me not wonder why. I have to try and know why. Because the Almighty God is inside of me. And when I start singing about Him, I feel a different feelings and I feel the love and compassion and them things. So it's like it bring out tears. Because of Him alone can read tears, not even me can read it. You understand? You only say, them man not cry because of what? And you judge it. You understand? But Jah know. You understand?
You say people very judgmental, but me guarantee you say people are going to watch your interview here and I go find your whole chain of thought and reference to God as probably you trying to, I don't know, make up for something, cover
No,
something.
me don't cover nothing at all. Them have to tell me what I cover and what I make up for. Me not make up for nothing, me not cover for nothing, me not fake it. Me not try to be nobody else, me I be myself. Me don't know to be nobody else, my brother. Saying, alright, a man want to say, me a bad man, then that a man want to say, me a bad man and me do this and me do that and that make him feel better. Well, if that make him feel better, me can't do what make you feel better. Me have to do what make me feel better.
Simple maths.
You understand? So if you feel offended or you feel say, yo, cause the feelings you have, you know. So you feel, say, yo, how could you go on, sir? Him a go on like him holy.
That them I go say still.
Okay, him a go on like him holy. Him a go on like.
Yeah.
Alright, me can go on like for a time until me really get holy.
Yeah.
So suppose me I try holy road. The question now my asking, am I wrong to try to hold on upon God?
Not at all.
So if me I try to be holy, am I wrong? So if I'm gonna watch this and I say, him go there, man, him can't go on like him holy and I chew him I get up in our age now. Him rare and him I go on like say, I got him a hold on pan.
Yeah.
My brother then if you get up in our age and you have to hold on pan God, it's
Hold
that
on
good.
pan it.
Him say once a man I walk through I come from church and I go through a hill. And go so, I stay down a place night dark. And I come down and grab on pan and man. And I say, help me God, help me do God. And a light appear out of the sky. I say, do you believe in God? And they say, yes. I must say, do you believe in Lord God Almighty? He say, yes. Let go. Yeah, man, boy, I couldn't see a different God. Something more a different God for thought. Them say the night becomes cold and them freeze to death. How far he was from ground? Ground was right there and they were right as a Queen Jobson. But him is a God liar.
God liar.
You understand? So, me don't want to be no God liar, brother. Until they don't teach them, it's up to a man to say what he wants to say. As I tell you, I'm not borrowing a man's mouth, you know. And a man can't judge you, you know. A man can't judge you.
Every day they do that, brother.
See, but it make you a different person.
No.
See, so I can't sit down and watch this and tell me and say anything I want to say. I feel mouth. I'm not borrow it. See?
True.
And even though I'm going to pay him internet bill. I'm going to pay him light bill. I'm going to do him something. And you can't tell him what to say.
True that.
But me just can say what me supposed to say. And when me know is right, me not feel say it right. Me know say it right. Say me not come on the thing and come bash a man to make you feel good. Oh, sorry for you. Me not go bash nobody to make you feel good because bashing a man don't make me feel good. You know what I mean? When me realize you know, me done that now, me realize you know, yeah, you really have changed youth.
Right.
Me didn't even realize. Because I can't read with lies. Because two lies are going on. I even can't analyze no more. Two man them have to do some more words and say, yo, my brain damage, you know. Me I watch that thing, cut this. Me I watch that thing. Yeah, man, but life is great right now, teach them, man. You know what I mean? And right now, that's why I'm a youth a while ago named Javelin, and I just see him right, so I think at the third time I see him, man. I see him show for respect and manners, and I admire that, you know. So I admire the youth and we are bust out as young blood and have manners and respect, you know.
You know where you think I come from?
Yeah, the one that don't have no manners and no respect, I hope them have. And I say, and the money make you have manners still, you know. And I say, whole of rich man and I'm still poor still.
True.
Yeah, whole of rich man and I'm still poor, you know.
Is there anything musically we're going to achieve at Kutchie where you still hope to achieve or something?
Well, the truth is, everybody like an international song. Somewhere, other people from other can say, yo, that's nice and that sound good and that's from Jamaica. So it may help put my country on the map. I'm a Jamaican and I want people can say, yo, Kutchie do this from Jamaica. and things like Sean Paul and, well, you know what I mean? Who that go there, big up yourself.
You made mention earlier that you spent some time in incarceration.
But that's fine.
Incarceration overseas.
Yeah,
Is that
fine.
something that you're willing to talk
I
about?
regret too. I can't talk about it, I don't regret it. See, when I lose my visa and them things, that's true that. Because I go to the time when my brother named Ted and I youth named Blacks and things, so I did over there and I do some herb selling. And I did things, I go to San Diego to go purchase and deal go wrong and feds get in and do some time and
How long was the time?
I'm minor. Me say a year, but my brother say less. But I learn from it, you know. I learn from it, I learn a lot still, you know.
And you lost your visa.
Yeah, but I'm not really crazy, man. I'm 16 years, I'm not go to America, but I'm not really crazy about nothing. I'm not crazy about nothing again. I'm not crave for nothing. I'm not crave for nothing. I'm not saying I'm crave for.
And you don't have no regret about it, as you say.
I love go back to America, I love can fly. I don't love America like I love Jamaica.
You don't love go work.
But I love can go work America, but I'm not telling a lie. I don't love America like somebody that want to go live and now want to come back and want to have them kids in America. I love Jamaica, man. I'm sweet to Jamaica. I want to live up in the bush. I love in the bush, I love dog, birds and them things. I love pets. You understand? So them things I mean,
Speaking about kids, how many of them?
Taju Reid, Cheyenne Reid, Kevin Reid, Anthony from America, and I youth named Cameron. How much that?
I don't count them, I think they're caught over there, that tell me.
I look at it, I about 5
About
to the
5.
one.
And the youth them good.
I was talking about man, one of my foreign now, I go there for a while and
So when you say foreign, in America, we are talking.
yeah, America, one of America, you know.
How many of them that? 2?
2, yeah, Cameron and Anthony. Anthony, but Kevin there, Jamaica. Said one of my CV, I'm going to tell you, say, the man not too deal in Mr. but me and him are alright, said, you know. Big up himself, you know. Hope one day him come around and understand too.
You put a gap, man.
Yeah, don't know. Yeah, I touch her alright. I mean, a little girl cool. We just pick her from school. She got Emmanuel and thing, you know.
Yeah.
And next youth used to go up away. Financial garden, yeah. And next school, you know. But he becomes 18, you know, so.
I try to push it by himself.
Yeah.
Taj is the artist.
Yeah, my singer.
Am I the one that bring on the stage
yeah,
show?
I'm that's one of my little youth. You know what I mean? And my 18, you know, man, a big man.
Okay.
But my inspired him mother, you know.
Any grandkids yet?
No.
No.
I don't know if Kevin breed nobody. You understand? So I'm going to tell Touch if it's going to do him thing. You understand? But I'm have to monetize, you know.
Yeah, that's important.
That's important, so you can't monetize thing. You have to man up, you know. Because if you have 2 bars, you're a man. So if you don't have none, I don't know where you come from, you know.
Ever been married?
No, I never married yet.
Any plans to do that anytime near?
I did plan for married at one time. I did plan for married already in a workout because if you tell the woman, say, it's a married, I want dangerous something, you know. So you have to know what you're doing, you know. So watch this. They say if a woman want married to him, brother, you can ask certain questions in the wedding half, you know. Like where you want married? How much you want the wedding go to? I'm telling you, I want married at Pegasus, I don't want married Portland, I want nice, one of the nice place there up in a Blue Mountain Peak, I want something like that. And how much it costs? $3-4 million or $10 million. I'll have to still have to give you half, man, and you come up with half, and save the wedding half. That me, I tell you, I think I joke the wedding half.
So that's what?
That's why divorce so easy. Because most of the time the woman spend the money for the wedding. And the man always do it so she don't really have nothing to lose when the divorce comes. You know, check it. Check the level right.
The struggles growing up were real, were rough.
Oh yes, man.
You say you're working at the cane field, you do some things, but you've been doing...
America, all that tanners out of one leather place and Spanish Town with that son. America D&G, America Dennis and Geddes is my stepfather.
Yeah.
You understand? I've been through it, my brother.
If it wasn't music, and you say you used to do some things on the road where looking back at it, you're not really proud of still. But if
Yeah,
it
I'm
was
not proud of
music,
nothing at all, you know.
what is that one thing out there where you say you probably would enjoy enough for do it for put food on your family table and your table?
If it was music,
Yes.
like something different from music.
Something different from music.
I like the business. I don't like work for people, I like it for my
The
own.
one thing.
Yeah, so I like being an entrepreneur. And I just know say, if it even be, I hope some people don't put it, if we just go buy food in a van and sell it.
Sell it.
Seeing? And them things they are even go see, go capture a whole heap of swim around. And fling them down and sell them back. Seeing? I find things that amuse me. When I get me do, but I make money off it. Seeing, but I'm happily doing it. Understand? I don't like when a man stand up over me and tell me, say, I have to do this or I have to do that, brother. Understand? I don't know if other people are happy with it and that made the world go around. Seeing? If I that make for them mirror go around still, you understand? I like do them things, I don't know. I don't want to be no slave to nothing.
Yes.
I want money to be my slave. I don't want to be a slave for money. I don't want to run down money. I want money to run me down. So I want to set myself in a position that money can't run me down. So why we always have to run down money? Why money can't run we down? Why money can't run me down? When I say people always run down money. Yo, me I go get that. Me have to go get this money. One team money I say, yo, me have to go find Kutchie, you know. Money if you find me, man, I want to you, man. I have to speak them things into being, man. See, because I love help people, you know, brother. I love give away, you know. See, I give away anything, you know. I just not give away my life. I'm not think no man should have.
Yeah, but I think that's wise. That's safe.
But me give away anything, I see.
Yeah.
I understand, I don't still like someone that left them phone at them yard and worry. I don't put no lock on my phone. You can ask me, I'm pressed right now on the sofa. I don't put no lock on my phone. I don't have nothing to hide. I don't hide, I throw on my phone right now and go and exercise, I go on with business. I throw right now upon the bed. I'm not business, brother. I don't need to hide, nothing what I hide. You understand? I'm not a hider. You understand? I used to. I'm perfect, I'm a grow up that. As I tell you, say, man, I go sit down and people go criticize, but I say criticize, I don't have to learn this. When a man criticize himself. But a man can call NITTY KUTCHIE, I call teacher man say, oh, you never mentioned this. I never did this. Teacher, I think you should have did about this, you know. And I Kutchie mention this now.
I'm not going to say that still.
You understand?
I make Kutchie get with certain things. I know what people said. You know,
if me get with something, well,
how we not making talk about this and talk about
oh,
that.
no, because maybe they want me sing people or they want me bring down other people, but your program to uplift people too.
Yes.
You know, for bring down people.
I agree with that 100%.
See,
man.
your program to uplift people and make people have stronger mind
and stronger,
and stronger way about them life and them things that and things like, hey, you know, I sit down in my house and I watch a preacher talk and I'm going to tell about 2 man. To show you how man negative, right? Saying 2 man in the hospital, right? Watch this number that. 2 man in the hospital. 1 man over that side about a big curtain there. So the next man over here said, but them all go through an operation. So this man jaw with the curtain and say, whoa, this pretty girl outside, damn, this pretty girl is so pretty. So my boy over there said, oh, she look. Man said, she ticking her, man. So you know, every day, he might feed this man with a story. See, you know, so I might tell him where I see outside. So I say, today, I get up and I say, wake up, John. Like whatever I'm giving him name is. I might say, look outside, and the man say, yo, they might play cricket today, you know. I see some pigeons, and everything's all right, and very. See? And how the pastor started the story is like, this man start praying for the man dead now. Because him can't go there, so him can't get the window. See? So now, after a couple of months in the hospital, seeing the surgery, I have to go on now, then bam, this man go to the surgery, then the surgery failed. So him die. See? Boom. So that's when I'm coming back now, and him go to film one work out good. So when I'm coming back, he must say, what happened to my friend over there? And I say, he passed away, you know. Allah, him passed away. Put me over there, sir. Remember, after months, you know. After months, this man I tell him what going out the door, you know. So now him want to go over there for see what going on, you know. So now when him go over there and line up in bed and thing and you know, and draw the curtain, now a big wall there, you know.
Nothing there.
Nothing there, you know. So you know, a couple of weeks after that, him dead. Him half dead, you know. Because him don't know so that man energy I keep him alive.
Right.
And you pray for that
paint
man
a
dead.
picture for him.
Yeah, you pray for that man dead. So you can dead too. But you don't understand. So when you pray for your man, if you pray good things, if you pray right things about people, my brother, so right things can happen to you. You understand? So it's when me start see them things, you know, I start put them things in my cranium, brother. So now it give me a different perspective about life. When I have to start looking to myself and start saying, more like God test me and I lose. More like God test me and I miss and I don't pass the test. But I feel foolish. Someone want to start put myself in a position now and say, if the test come, one can pass it. So that's why even now as I use the platform, I use it as a part of my passing my test towards the Most High. So when a man can sit down in his couch and talk and think, him get a flush that in a toilet, a different thing me I penetrate when you can criticize when me I try to make my life a better place and a better way. Seeing you tell me say me I try to be like her, me I go on like her. Alright, come on, get the here, man. I want to tell who you. Seeing you're not better than me. If you have more money than me and you live on the hilltop, then I make you better than me. Seeing you're just in a better position. Understand? So I'm not jealous of no one, man. Not where a man have, man. I read my eye and I read feet. I never bad mind, bounty killer, I never bad mind. One you name English rap, and I will party for give me watch and give me chain and I will party and I you name a youth from Mobile. I'm take him jewelry, them and something I'm in a bad mind. Them only a bad mind people, I don't need for bad mind nobody, brother. Bad mind I help people, brother. Seeing a rightness help people. Eat up your have called true. You know what I mean?
True.
Yeah,
But
man,
the
bad
body
mind.
rhythm Kutchie every year.
It always be like the Punani rhythm, because man for love Punani. You understand? Say Punani rhythm, the Kutchie.
No, Kutchie.
You understand them thing there. So at them rhythm there, we use bring ourselves up. The Punani, bada where War 21 them come make and thing, even though we never dip on it, but that's some rhythm where, you know what I mean?
Yes.
You don't know what I mean? Now we have to always big up Shabba Rankin and all of them man who come from CV make it worthwhile for one time. We see them man they drive Benz and dress up certain way and we wear Rolex so we can't say yo. You know what I mean?
Aspire to that.
Yeah, just like come with a watch a program with Muhammad Ali and a man said to him, say, the guy we are interviewing, like we are interviewing me teaching. And the man said to him, say, oh, why you wear a Rolex? You're a short, you're a bossy man. And you drive a Rolls Royce because you're bossy. And the man said, when me wear it as a black man, I am bossy, but when a white man wear it, he's a rich man.
Yes.
You understand? So when me drive a Rolls Royce, I am a bossy man, but when a white man drive it, he's a rich man. No, I wear it because I show my black brother that, you understand? He can wear it too.
Aspire to this.
Yeah, you understand me as some brother. So I say things we go so I want to be people who are inspired, we uplift, we motivate. You understand? I don't want to be a man who bring down people, brother. Seeing, we've been there and done that, we don't want to do that no more, we passed the level there. See, I stay at level 3 or level 4 or level 5 now. Come on, get your level. You understand? Get your level in play.
What's Kutchie's favorite DJ?
My favorite DJ have to be Bounty Killer. He can't be another DJ, but that be fake.
Yeah.
You understand?
I was telling me that because of the
No, I can't say that because if I look through the history, right,
Yeah.
if him was my DJ from long time coming up when we are grow up, seeing why would I want to change now? Seeing better you ask me who are my other favorites.
Who are your other favorites?
Then Cartel I go be one of them because him come from a training school too. You understand? And then if I knew you them now, you them show me respect, so like Javelani and them youth that will give me respect. I have to give them back like our youth, I see a youth named Shane E where him hold it and squeeze it and them youth you have to give them back respect. And I think all the youth them give me respect, I give them back. You know, give me none, I still respect you, but I still avoid you because to not go on, I don't want to hurt me.
Yes.
You understand? So you give me respect, I give you back respect. You give me love, I give you love. See? You know, give me none, brother. I don't have to eat you, but I avoid you. Because your money and your things that don't frighten me. Your big house and your big Benz and your big something that don't frighten me. That not weird again. That not frighten me, brother. And your Kyle of money, all the Yankee you them do it. Seeing? If you cut me a blood run, if you cut your blood run, I tell me, that can't get me jealous. I can't get me jealous. I didn't work on it. Poor people need to save money and rich people invest, so I know it. You see? So I save hard, so I can invest. You understand? I'm not stupid bad man. See? No man no more than me. You're only in a better position. So live with the position and disrespect them now. How it all work? See, we all get the same 24. You understand? So I'm not my brother. See, I'm not playing a bigger man. I be the bigger man. Because I play me, I play it. I have a serious with it. You understand?
Well, what's your favorite song when him write, when him perform, when him voice?
I'm not him right, I'm not him right. Song with uplifting like any Dennis Brown, Garnet Phillip. You understand? Jah put an angel over me. Be strong, will of firm meditation. One day things must get better. I mean, no say one day things must get better. See, because me believe that. You understand? And if I'm in a, don't say believe them, because I'm going to believe the farm of doubt. All right, I know that. I know one day will get better. Because I surround myself with uplifting people, uplifting friends. When I have no friends that pull me back now, I'm not dealing with black crab, brother. See? I'm not dealing with black crab business. I avoid him. I never have to eat him. You have some people I can't eat, I don't need to eat them. I need for 9 and 10 them and 11 and 12. You understand? Because 13 is a good number. It's like a man born 2 and 3. When you born 2 and 3, a man say no and 2, because 2 are a number. Okay, you get that from the stupidness. If you get $2 million, you take it. If you get 2 houses, you take it. If you get 2 cars, you take it. But you don't want $2 million. Foolishness that, man. And about a certain foolishness when I play with, man. You understand? I pass there, but beyond that, man. You understand? A man say you're 13, a police number and 13, Friday the 13th, but 12 disciples and Jesus Christ make 13. Saying that still works, said we, it's a blessed number, but them curse them, tell it, them turn it in them, twist them power, bro. Seeing? Them say we get brainwashed. When you wash something, you go in your bathroom, we get a wash off.
Clean,
you wash off your car, you're not clean. Seeing? Say your brain clean, you clean, your brain nice, but you get brain damage around different something that.
Saying a brain wash, a brain
The
damage.
brain damage, brother.
Kutchie is still here. Still in the studio.
Give thanks to the Almighty God for life and everything we added after.
Still voicing.
Yeah, I not stop.
Still
Because I can't get a voice.
performing.
I can't get a voice, so God give me, I'm going to use it. So we take it back.
Food is on the table.
Oh, yeah, some of my house full of food, tin mackerel and whole something, and sardine and some.
The singer happy.
Oh, yeah, I thought I'm going to my house, crush out some sardine and some pepper in it and cut up onion and eat some crackers with it and all of that. I'm still going to steam fish. The only thing we do, we have 10 pounds of fish in my fridge. You know. If the man consider that as boss and a boss, God provide.
Food is on the
Yeah,
table, sir.
I tell them I can't
Food
give
is on
people
the
food,
table.
and I can't give people things. Tell people them enough and toothpaste them.
But they drink that's something they have to know. For the people
Yeah.
out there who want to get in touch with the Kutchie,
471-4729.
run it again.
876-471-4729.
876-471-4729.
I'm not really run joking. I have a call on the phone like I think I'm not joke something on upon that.
Workings.
Yeah, business me deal with, you understand? Like I
Yeah,
tell me
they
say,
must know that before
yeah,
they
call me
call
and tell me
you.
say you know me for a long time. I remember my mother, I remember some man. Everybody you remember people, you know. And enough
Work,
things,
yeah, work,
yeah.
brother.
You understand how people really want it. With that love can do it and love can remember everybody. But yo,
It's not possible, it's not
your memory
possible,
span is not like that. You understand? And if I say something stupid, you can call my phone number and tell me that, yo, yeah, you messed up. You understand? And I will appreciate love that too. See, now you correct me and we can work it out. See, because, you know what I mean? One hand can't clap. You help me along the way, I help you along the way. You understand? We're perfect, but our action is not. Our words are not. You know what I mean? So if we mess up on our words, if we mess up on our one movements, come on. I'm only human. You know what I mean? I'm only human, bro. You know what I mean? You can't still teach them. I have to try to teach people the right way, try to be a motivator, try to be an uplifter, try to be something right in life, try to be something, try to make a change. You understand? And everybody can be superstar, but so everybody can be special. You understand? So make it be special.
Nitty Kutchie has become Andrew Reid.
Yes, because it sounds like I'm baptized.
Yeah, man.
And it
See the
sounds
growth,
like,
brother. See the maturity.
yeah, because I'm not baptized, I'm baptized. I just know that I get wise. You understand?
You right for anybody? Musically?
I'm right for the whole of my friend them.
You right for the whole of your friend
The
them.
toddler lyrics, General B, the whole of we write for one another. You understand? We twist it. So it's like, we do it like the old time days when we When we it's like how
Yeah, make
you
a
them
song.
nowadays them go one side go right song. No, we play the rhythm and the whole we sit down and we say,
Amen. Sound good, that's
it was rough growing up, it was tough growing up. I never have enough growing up, but I never been a rough growing up. And a man say, that good enough. Then a man say, we go through the cane phase. I'm start add to that time. I say, wow, that nice man. I mean, understand? I will start step.
Unity.
Yes, that's strength. Strength is separated to get weak.
Sir Reed,
Yes, boss man.
give thanks to the reason, brother.
Yeah, man, I always appreciate love, but any platform we can make the world really know who am I, you know? Me have to appreciate love it.
I appreciate the opportunity, brother.
Yeah, man.
Take a minute still, but
Yeah.
a jar works.
Yeah. It's time. You're late for me still, but you're late. No, you're not late for
My
me.
apologies, sir.
You're not late for me, that's late.
We just late. My apologies.
But as I tell you, I'm full of understanding and you see that for yourself. I'm not make ignorance to get the better part of me because nothing's supposed to get the better part of you. Because anything get the better part of you, that means you have the worst part of you. So you feel always in control.
As an educator, as a man who earn him living by teaching,
Yeah.
when they tell me, say, you not go to school like that, and I realize how articulate you are, I realize that the man would have taken some time to get himself on a level. And I respect that, brother.
Yeah, man. And the most time I read Bible. Yeah,
You know, about your Bible, brother.
I read Bible because I hate to construct my life.
Man.
You tell me put what would I put it now? Help me put it on
A higher level.
a higher level of understanding when I can and see people clearly. I mean, I go, you know, say, enough place I go, my reason, like, what do you mean, I reason with 3 youth, and I say, which school I go, I show them, say, I got my spars still, you know. And man say, I'm mad, man, and I say, why you say that? So I tell you, say, I got my spars, and I tell you, say, I'm mad, why? See, and I say, I go down on the and I say, I go, one of them, where alkaline go, one of them school, Arden and thing, and I say, but oh, you know all of them things where you know? And I say, oh, you know all that stuff where you know? So you study and so you read. See? So I'm not stupid in the other man. See? Knowledge is key, knowledge is power. Find it in the Bible. So I always tell them, say, I not always, because I never really reason with them before. I just tell them, say, what the wisest man them saying in the Bible?
Salaman.
So I ask them, which school them go? So them can't tell me now, so I say, which Psalms you love? And tell me, so I say, who write it?
David right there.
So I say, which school David go? So I say, if you love judging here, love the Almighty God, man. Uplift myself in the right ways, man. None of them people are not going to school. See? But all the world right now, the Bible is the best-selling book. Some Rastaman talk a lot of negative thing about it, so sometimes I feel like they don't really know what I want. See, them I say too much things that complicated, like when I youth talk, say, I can't hear the Bible, you know, because it's hard for you to let it complicated and area. I mean, I say, I can deal with the phone, though. You can deal with your house or your car, but you can't deal with the simple Bible. Him say the Bible complicated and the Bible this and him want do him want. Him talk a lot of negative things and I say, I look at me and say, you are stupid. See? And I tell him, say, a man make the Bible or a man write the Bible. So I say, okay, man write the Bible. I will make the phone there on.
Man.
You love it though. Car out the door.
Man.
You love it though. The house where you live in a bed you sleep on.
Man.
So I'm the Bible, you can't just love it too. You don't do nothing.
Him not reach it yet, man. Him soon reach it, so. I want to also say another thing, say, before I wrap up, that for a man who in the street that do things, I'm glad to the music, you find the music and there was a change. And some of your friends drop out and you still survive it, we make a contribution to the thing. We're glad for that.
Yeah, because all of them, you know. All of them, and I learn through the whole of that, you know. Yeah, I learn through the whole of that and I grow. I grow and I understand. I mean, I love enough youth who are dealing with badness right now And in the street, you understand too and say, you can't change. Don't say you can't change like how I tell some youth say, you can't change, you know. I'm saying, you can't change, you know, you can't put on and say, yo, hello, yo, when you are here, you know, attempt to hear deal with you, know, and things like that, I say.
Yeah, but you deal with it so you can now point them in the right direction.
Yes, and I say, I true you are talking, brother, but I couldn't come to you say, you have to bust it. I couldn't come to you say, you have to kill it.
I have to tell him to fix up himself.
I have to tell you say, you have to change so you can be better because I have to teach you a better way. I have to show you. I have to try to point you then. See a better way there. All right, see me in a better way. That's why I live till them time. Because 12th of February now, my birthday.
You're going to be how much?
51.
Big man.
Yeah.
Going strong.
I'm proud of it.
Live your luck.
Tell something of the pride, I'm proud of it.
Big brother.
Yeah.
So give thanks, sir. It's a joy.
Yeah,
you understand? And me kind of surprised at the
Yeah,
man.
so what you think about me now? You think me still are the same person? Where, yeah.
You see the growth as we tell you. You understand? This is not the country we hear about around the place. And I just so like
I have to change,
I
bro.
learn, I learn,
I have to change, you know, I have to change the ways. If I want to be a better person, there's always room for changes.
Always, bro.
So when I'm gonna go and like say I'm too tough, they have WD-40. So man have to wise. Yeah, man have to wise.
Get rid of some of
Yeah, man have to wise, you know, so.
Brother, give thanks.
Yeah, man, we are some man, I want love, man, and just continue to teach them.
We never stop, brother.
Yeah, man, continue to teach them because it's a must. This platform is to teach people and uplift people. So
yes, bro.
Yeah, continue to do that, you know. You know, it makes sense. You come with a platform where you bring down people and say it's like, I'm happy to see somebody bring down, like when you say I'm gonna fight it, to put a phone and video it and instantly you part it, you understand? So it's like, make we help change certain things.
We are trying.
Yeah.
We are trying.
I will start. We
are
trying
to make a message reach them.
You know, we're not trying. We're going to do it. We're going to do it, you know. Yeah, man, so respect to all the ones and all of my family and friends, them, you know. Tiki them and Pester them and Bojo Banton and Butty them and Dandemite and Elephant and Aritan and General B and Ghost and Rounded and, you know what I mean, Seaview Garden and 85 Lane and, you know what I mean, and 100 and Park Lane and Common and, you know what I mean, and Pan Marvin Rooftop, because that's where they're right now. Big up on yourself, you know what I mean, long level. Big up on yourself, brother. And all of the man that are foreign when I watch this, they big up on yourself and try to do the right thing here. And the man when I mind them family of Jamaica and try to do it. Youth when I mind them youth of Jamaica and try to do it. As long as you know, say no jacket. And deal with it, brother. Seeing? So that's that me I tell the man them. Seeing and the man when I send the money come set up a monument of Jamaica. Seeing? They are them to deal with that. Seeing? Set up a thing and do the thing right. And I stand. Can't no matter. So it go. Put a big up yourself. Them never know how them run come this. I chat about them 9 will come and Chris. Well teach them. We don't fear no fools. Man a bad man a bad man now cho. Well certain boy hype up and I send dead shit. Well none of them. Don't look at them to find no theater. Got them on the big curfew. Man a bad man teach them. Big gun man rise, boy, to make the noise. This all teach them when they get the shot between the eyes. Life upon the line, the fastest just area. Them get gunshot to them brain. Cha-cha-cha-cha. Send it, you know I instant data. Use a black blunt to send you put on the acre. Use a dub plate to chop select and them. Them get gunshot to them, teach them. Oh, believe me, them punks that grieve me. This bad man, they thought it would have been easy. Try to let them know, and it is that row. I pay black blunt, a black talent, teach them show, kill them slow. Oh, you see me, and I frowns. I'm black talent, I crack them skull. And this a bad man party. Tell them just rise up black 40. On the voice, say what in the starty. On the begin, me use Steph and nam party. Teach them a fling. And I wonder me, I sing too much guns. Teach them how we are the man. That's how I say. Where's the teacher? Which one you like? The one say, guide me, oh Jah. Protect me, oh God. Jah, you never let me down, no. The devil I fried. Teach him to guide me, oh Jah. Protect me, oh God. Jah, you never let me down, no. The devil I fried. Sinners I go weep and moon, ball and groan. Who no love Jah, me say them now go see him thrown. Them a live them dirty life down in a them devil zone. No love towards each other. that every man is for their own. Jah do not keep silent, do not keep still. No devil worshipper could never try the holy hill. So give ease to my call and hear me, see me through it all. We all are one blood, but sometimes we shall fall. Guide me, oh Jah, protect me, oh God. When you are go through your troubles and your trial, and them must sprinkle them powder and set them vial. And the Almighty number you for dial, cut you say, in God I trust. The devil bait get boast. Wicked man, you two blood toast. Yo, I teach them come first, yeah. Teach them program at the first, yeah? Yo, bad mind people are on the worst. You know what I mean? I tell them to stop being bad mind and be righteous now and start think right about one another and think right about people. Seeing? Just lose negative energy as something where you learn from and where you grow up on. You know what I mean? That's that more and tell people them. Seeing? Just do the right thing and the right thing will follow. Seeing? Lead by example. Live good. Walk right. Straighten up your act.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.